no chains, Central C, pop smoke. We free now, free life. Finally broke out the cage. No more running from the pain. Cage, sunshine on my face, different face. Free life, we elevate. From the blocks to the views, no more stress. Counting blessings, not the problems, that's progress. Lost some along the way, but the soul feel alive. Free life, living every day like it's flight. Drop boxed in, now the world's my horizon. West London scars, but the vision keep rising. Used to chase the bag heavy, now I chase peace. Therapy in the music, that's the real release. They wanted me trapped in the cycle, no way. Broke the mold, now I'm paving my own lane. Family straight, that's the only thing that matters. Free life, no more climbing up the ladders. Me ladder with the pain, but the joy louder. Girls wanna owe me, but I'm wiser now. Prouder, different chapter, ink still wet on the story. From the council to the villa, rewriting the glory. Breathe easy, no more looking over shoulder. Free life got me feeling like a soldier. You won the war, now enjoying the spoils. Central C, elevating, no more toils. Free life, pop, pop smoke, escape the jungle. Brooklyn nightmares turn to dreams. No more struggle. 30 put down, not only shots to celebrations. Living lavish, but the mind's still in meditation. They try to love the spirit, but the smoke rise higher. Different energy, set the block on fire. For the homies watching from above, we gon' shine. Free life, every moment feeling prime, bad vibes at the window, positive only. Haters still talking, but they can't control me. Foreigns plus private flights, that's the way. Free life, no more digging my own grave. Voice of the streets, but the soul liberated. Sent on the link, now the vision activated. Bow, but it's joy in the sound. Free life, king stats, claim the crown. Free life, chains off heart open wide.
What's poppin', chat? Welcome to the stream. This is my most early stream, chat. Don't think I've ever streamed this early. Been a while, let's say that. Let me see who's here. You see me, chat? Let's see if it's all clear. What's poppin'? Hella early Sunday today, chat. What's poppin', Allo? What's poppin', Aldin? Jay? W's in the chat, man. Early stream today, chat. That means I get to sleep early as well. Hey, no diddy, chat. It's Sunday, I know, but no diddy, chat. What's everybody doing this Sunday, chat? What's everybody doing this Sunday? What time is it in your place? I know, Allo, but I call you Allo, man. I gotta call you the name I see on screen. Otherwise you make my job hard, Allo. We can't make my job hard type shit. Damn, 3 PM. It ain't even dark over there. Red Bull, hit me up, man. Send the contract by Monday, chat. Come on. Stop playing, Red Bull. I'll be sponsoring your ads daily, chat. Fucking Red Bull. What's poppin', Azadine? Welcome to the stream, homie. Damn, man, you guys are all early. It's already dark here, chat. It's already dark here. What everybody done today? Everybody went to church today? Stop playing. Everybody did their due diligence. Everybody got that ticket ready for heaven? I'm just tripping, chat. Nah, but anybody went to church, chat? What it do, Jacob? What's poppin', man? How's it in Iceland? I think you guys are all surprised that I'm here early, chat, but you know the vibes. Nah, tell me it ain't so. Nah, tell me it ain't so. Why is the stream lagging, chat? Why is the stream lagging, chat? Chat, we haven't even begun yet. Why is the stream lagging, chat? Damn, chat. We too hot for the stream. I ain't gonna lie, man. We too hot for the stream. We should be good, chat. I see myself moving again. Gang, gang. How did they do it, chat? You know the vibes. Chat, you should see me clearly, right? Drop some W's if you see me. Yeah, a bit blurry on the face cam is all good. It should be sharp again, chat. Alright, what's poppin', what's poppin'? All good, chat. The stream needed some time to manage the heat. You know what I mean? Alright. We should be good, chat. I think we're good. Let me just be on the camera. Let me say hi a few more minutes, chat, till everybody gets here. Let me take attendance, chat. Let me see which of you motherfuckers is late when I come early. Let me write down the names, chat. We'll see who pops in late. Jacob is early today. Aldin's early. Turayan is early. Azadin's early. Aloe, aka Wilson's early. You guys all get good points, chat. That means you want to make money. Happy August, everybody. Anybody got big plans for August, chat? What's up, Rollins? Anybody got big plans for August, chat? Or you guys want to lock in and make some money? We're going to launch the agency today. We're going to launch the agency on the front end, and we're going to launch the agency on the back end, chat. Nice, Jacob. Nice, 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 Jacob. I like to hear it, man. I like to hear it. Let's put the positive vibes out this month, chat. Let's try, every time we feel like saying something negative, chat, let's try to focus on something positive. I have an extremely busy month coming up for myself. That's the reason I'm early tonight, chat, because I want to get a head start on the week tomorrow. Chat, why is this camera blurry, man? OBS camera tripping, chat. Well, after when I get back in the end of August, chat, then I'll do a new stream setup, chat. End of the month, I'm gonna do a new setup. Oh, I need Red Bull here. What time is it out there, Mr. Rollins? What time is it out there, Mr. Rollins? Ah, damn, man. Is it tripping again, chat? I'm sorry, chat. What's going on? Let me turn off. Yeah, I see it lagging, chat. Chat, why is it lagging? Damn, chat, this is the first time I go live early. Is it lagging because it's early or what? Shit, man. YouTube is not receiving enough video. Chat, we've streamed 114 days. 124 days, and now we start lagging. Come on, don't do me like that, YouTube. Come on, internet, Thai internet, get your ass in luck, boy. We got web agency to launch today, chat. Come on, man. We got a web agency to launch today, chat. The current bitrate is tripping. YouTube is saying the current bitrate is tripping, chat. No, I guess we need to have patience. I guess we need patience, chat. Absolutely, Jacob, I'm hyped as well. I think that's a big endeavor for the agency, for the Dollar Vibe Club. It gives meaning to the name again. So I'm excited for that. Alright, we should be good, chat. It says the stream health is good. Besides it's tripping on the bitrate, let's just ignore that. Let me get some electronic music going, chat. Sunday vibes. Actually, can't we get some lo-fi music going just to get started? Yeah, Jacob, there will be an approval process, which I'm starting now. Let me switch to the screen, chat. First, let me say it again, welcome everybody to the stream. What we're doing today, chat, very clear. We are launching the agency part within Dollar Vibe Club. That means that the viewers get to make money or get a chance to do some work as well. So if you're a vibe coder or you like creating websites, it goes from basic projects to very complex projects. There are a few requirements, so tap into the stream to follow the requirements and all that shit. Oh, chat, I see the bitrate again. What's happening? Are we still good, chat? Let me hit you guys with an ad and see if that works, chat. We should be good on the ad, chat. I hit you guys with an ad, so those who don't have premium, rip. I'll wait for you guys until we start, chat. I'll wait 30 seconds till we start, chat. Let's gather the troops. Everybody's early. Mr. Rollins, Turaya. Love to see it. A lot of European people. What's poppin', Andre? Welcome to the stream, boss. Andre, we're doing some exciting things today. I don't know if you've watched the streams and know what we're launching, but I'm launching the agency part. And that means just to get more work to the viewers and to take on more orders in general. How you doing, Andre? How's your week been, man? It's Sunday. Hey, Piggy. LGBTQ HDTV, man. Be nice. Be nice, Piggy. I'm happy. It's a nice Sunday for me, so be nice, Piggy. Oh, I'm have to beat your ass. Nah, it's okay, man. That's all good. Piggy still needs to learn what the lessons are, Jacob. Piggy don't know what's up. Piggy's lucky he caught me on Jesus Day, chat. That means I'm extra kind. Piggy caught me on Jesus Day, so I'm extra nice, but Piggy, you better come correct the coming days, man. I'll show you how gay I am. Chat. I think we should be good to start, man. I think I'm write down Piggy's name. Alden, I thought nobody noticed. Sorry, chat. Hey, straight like a motherfucking bow, man. Straight like a motherfucking arrow, chat. No opinion on whoever's what. You know the vibes, chat. As long as you're happy, but come correct when you're speaking to. Come correct when you're speaking to Tommy Yip XYZ, Piggy. Or next time I see you, I might have to tap you on the back of the head. All right, chat. So what did we do today? We clamped up the dashboard mainly. For now, I'm gonna focus on restating the courses and everything. Live, I'm coming. You're never gonna expect the unexpected. Thoughts, welcome to the stream, mofo. Expect the unexpected, homie. Hey, Jacob. You gotta keep that low key. Chat, we got the DVC agency. And we'll start updating that as we go. I want to do some changes here so it becomes more clear. And one thing I wanted to check before we go further. Let me open my agent, homie, chat. I was already working on it. Let's just get it going. And we can get a few agents going. But let's just try to get some work done today, chat. Let's try to get some work done. And Alden, I'm free. We can later put on your project, but you could be the first to test the feature that I'm trying to test, Alden. I ain't gonna repeat what Alden's saying. I'ma just ignore that message. Chat, I can't say those words. PR knows what's up, man. Chat, we gotta stay monetized. We gotta stay brand friendly, chat. We are very brand friendly, chat. We love everybody. We love all brands. We're trying to sell out before the age of 42. Tap in, man. Alright, let me get some details going here. Alright, I like to keep the background as it is now on the agency tab. but I would like to make it full within the content area so that it stretches to the full corners and the side menus of the of the content area. And then I would actually like you to make a 2-column setup, 1 column on the left side in 2/3 and 1 column on the right side in 1/3, and you can keep the please apply box as the 2/3 as the 1/3 column. Yeah, I want 2/3 on the left side and 1/3 on the right side. I don't know if you understand that, chat. Alright, chat, let me check up with the chat. What we got here? JTA, you have to cover up somehow. You guys on some shit today, chat. It's Sunday, it's Jesus Day, chat. We all gotta be chill. What's up, Walter? Welcome to the stream. Are you new here, Walter? On the box on the left side, that's 2/3. I kind of want to explain what we're doing with the agency. And basically what we are doing is giving approved members the chance to bid on work, no matter where they are in the world, no matter how many experience years they've got. If they can build a basic website, they can collaborate and work with us. What's poppin', Mike? Orale, homie. Yeah, we gotta get the agency going. What's up, Kosa? Right now, Kosa, we are working on updating the Dollar Vibe Club. Let me actually post the URL in the chat. And today we are launching a very big part in the Dollar Vibe Club, and that's basically the agency. So we have been streaming 124 days. I've noticed that there's so many smart people out there that can build sites, people smarter than me for sure. And what my skill is in live chat is networking and sales. So I can bring a lot of work onto the platform. Jacob, what are you doing, man? You're abusing powers, man. Damn, we might have to take away that shield. What's up with Forts cloning accounts? Koza, so that's what we're doing right now, Koza. I don't know if that was clear, but Koza, if you're a Vibe coder, I would say join the Dollar Vibe Club because it's about to pop off in August. I ain't gonna lie. We're fine tuning it. I'm just fucking with you, Jacob. I don't care. You're good, man. Chill. It's Sunday. Oh, who's posting? Who's posting on that? Who's that account? Who's posting in the chat like me? Chat, I think that's confusing for the viewers, man. Who's posting in the chat like me? Fords, don't be chatting like me, homie. That's not cool, homie. You can run fan pages and shit and meme pages and you can clip the hell out of me, but just don't chat because it's not fair for viewers, you know what I mean, Fords? Don't be doing that, homie. Listen to the main mod, Fords, or PR and Alding won't beat your ass, boy. Don't make me bring out the band finger, chat. Don't make me bring out the band finger. Don't make me bring out the band finger, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Ford, stop playing, man. Or I'ma have to ban you on all platforms. That means Discord, YouTube, Dollar Vibe Club. Trust me, you won't like that. Chat, I also did a little thing for you guys. The last hackathon, you can now click here. You can click here. And then you'll see who the winners were and shit. And the submissions if you want to just get creative. See what the people are building. And I'll do that for every hackathon moving forward. And I'll still fix the previous one. But step by step today, chat. It's Sunday. Well, I'll check it once it pops off, thoughts. If it doesn't catch my attention organically, I can't look at it, thoughts. It's gotta pop off organically, homie. And my advice to you, thoughts, is start clipping every part of my streams. Start posting that on TikTok for me, and you'll blow up pretty fast. The moments where I go full cannon and shit. What's up, Nazran? Welcome to the stream, homie. Give me a moment, chat. We're running this agent. Allow browser to use. Allow it. Come on. We don't care about risk, chat. Nah, low-key, I did see it, Aldin, so I know what you mean. That's like the cheapest model on Hagen. Chat. Alright, so let's set up the web agency. Walmart, Timu, Tommy. Aldin, I want to work out a strategy with you, Aldin. And let's get it going. Aldin, I will need your... Just send me a message with your... Yeah, send me a message with your... what is it? What do I want to say, chat? Send me a message with your Replit email. Aldin, I'm going to invite you to a project here. One moment. Let me create a workspace. Let's call it 7.0, chat. How many versions have we launched up until this time? Yeah, I'm going to invite you to a project, Aldin, and I'll explain you what I want to test with you. This is also a project where I think we'll need your support on the AI side, if you know what I mean. But I'll invite you to it in a few. I'll explain it. First, let's this one work. Chat, who's got what planned this week, man? What are you doing this week? Are you working? Are you building? Are you studying? Nazran, where are you from, man? What country are you watching from, Nazran? What country are you from, homie? Well, I should have your Replit email already, Aldin, from the competition. What are you cooking, Forts? What are you cooking? Become my clipper, Forts. Become my clipper, man. Start pages on TikTok. Become a clipper for me, Forts. But don't impersonate me, you know what I mean? Alright, Aldin. Just so that it's on top. Let's slowly get this agent running. I'm gonna just see the changes I want to do. I don't know who the last winners were, chat, from this competition. I believe it was Pushpet. And I believe it was Aura. Alright, so I'm screenshot this. For the first hackathon challenge, I want you to organize it the same as the challenge detail page for the recent hackathon that we did. And the winners there were Pushpet and Aura app. So restyle that so that it looks nice and clean, just as the other one. What's poppin', Mark? Welcome to the stream, man. Let me clap it up for you. Nah, Mark, I don't believe in sleep, Mark. I take naps. Mark, it's a busy week, man. August is gonna be very busy. I'm traveling as well, so I kind of want to get everything prepped and done. And I want to launch the agency part. I've got so much to do, Mark. I wish I could take a holiday, to be honest, chat. But I gave my commitment to the stream. We got 7 more months to go, chat. 7 more months and then I'll take it. Maybe I'll do streams once a week, chat, twice a week. You know the vibes. Let's race to 1 million, chat. Let's race to 1 million in dollars, in subs, and in Fiverr award, chat, and we're good. Thoughts, I don't know what that means, man, but you're allowed to clip, man. And if you're successful in clipping thoughts, I got you on the flip side. Maybe I'm on a vacation for forever, Jacob. I don't know yet. Alright, so let's just get changes going as I'm thinking. Alright. In this apply box, I would like to add a apply button. Once they click that, they see that their application is being reviewed. Basically, we have all the information, so once they click that button, they just have to confirm it, and then we will review their account again. Be sure to add an extra requirement, and that they need to upload at least 5 portfolio items that are valid projects to their portfolio. Alright. Exactly, Aldin. Exactly. Clipping just means taking my content, thoughts. I'm doing the heavy work for you. I'm making the content, thoughts, and all you gotta do is clip, 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 clip. 15 seconds, 20 seconds. And start pumping it out there. Chat, I've got another thing that I've got to do on stream that will definitely boost the channel. And I'll probably start that tomorrow or Tuesday. But we're gonna do some, you'll see it, you'll see it. But first, let's do what we gotta do today, chat. Yes, Aldin, and we've only been doing this 123 days. That's the crazy part. Sometimes I remind myself to slow down and to take a day off. Just because I feel like, well, in my mind it feels like we've been doing this super long. But at the same time, in reality, we've only been doing this 125 days, chat, or 124. I can't wait to drop the vlogs, chat. I've got 7 episodes, chat. 7 episodes in Bangkok, chat. No cap. I'm not saying that these are going to be award-winning vlogs, chat. I've done a lot of research and I've looked at the competitors with successful vlogs and those with bad vlogs. But I'm telling you, I'm going to probably be the worst vlog editor on the planet, chat. Like, I'm not even lying, like. I'm literally just putting clips behind each other, chat. And the boring moments, I'm doing some narration. And I'm trying to spice it up with some good music. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a professional. Oh, chat, another big update we did today. You can check the blog part. Every single stream will be automatically posted and indexed to the platform. So it's basically a report on what we're doing here on stream. And we've got 135 blogs posted already. And Aldin, you and me, we're gonna try and run that SEO wise. Yeah, man, today I don't get out a lot, so I'm telling you, sending me outside with a camera is definitely like, I ain't the most entertaining, let's put it that way. I'm just amazed, chat, I'm just amazed when I walk around and I look at people and shit. And then all I can think about is, why is nobody vibe coding? What's up, Tony? I've got a far relative called Tony. And obviously we love Tony Montana, chat. All good here, man. Welcome to the stream. We are working on the Dollar Vibe Club right now. And the Dollar Vibe Club is a community that will be free forever. It's a community for vibe coders, for people that are new to AI, for people that want to make money online. He's here, chat. Hold up. My Elgato is stripping, chat, but he's here. You guys all know him.
No fighting.
What's poppin', Dr. Al? Oi!
No fighting. No fucking fighting. No fighting. No fucking fighting! Good. Get the fuck in.
Welcome to the stream, everybody. Well, Jacob, I would say you're gonna have to put a lot more work in that because it took me 3 years, homie. It took me 3 years to get to top 1% chat, and it was a grind every single day. What's poppin', Hallens? Welcome to the stream, homie. Let me clap it up for you. Alright, Doctile, but be an ethical dude, man. Don't go and hack people, you know what I mean? I appreciate you, Tony. I appreciate you, Tony. That means I could be an actor, chat. Let me give you a side view, Tony. This is the side view, homie. What do you think about the side view? I'm just fucking, chat. Welcome to the stream, Tony. India, nice. Shout out to you, Nazran. Well, it's YipXYZ right now, chat. Should I ever change my YouTube name, chat, or should I just keep it Tommy YipXYZ at this point? The book is Think and Grow Rich, Doctile. You gotta read this book. This book is life-changing, man. I've been reading it for the last 16 years now. For the last 16 years, and I don't, by reading it, chat, mostly I watch the audio version of it when I'm working, but I'm telling you, Doctile, that book is the game, is the handbook to life, chat. That makes life so easy. I ain't gonna lie, man, that makes life really easy, chat. You know, the vibe's in it, Jacob. Do not change, man. I'm never finna change, Doctile. Unless OpenAI buys me out for $1 billion, chat. I'm tripping, chat. I'm tripping. What's up, Addict? I can give you a very clear answer on that, Addict. This is my tech stack, bro. We are very transparent here, so this is basically my tech stack. I have Obsidian as my AI brain. I have 3 layer 0 subscriptions. I have a layer 1 that I use for commercial grade projects. I have the supporting tools, the picks and shovels for vibe coding. Things like Resend, things like Fiverr, all that shit. And then I have the API keys. So the foundation is always going to be ChatGPT on this channel for now, chat. Chat, I'm telling you, I'm working on something, chat. I'm working on something, chat, and maybe you guys got ideas. I'll never charge. I'll never charge and never change, man. But maybe you guys got some ideas for questions and shit, but I'm working on a strategy, chat, where I'll probably be interviewing very influential people in the AI industry, chat. But the problem is, chat, I'm not an interviewer, you know what I mean? I don't care about all them bullshit interview questions. So what I'm trying to think is we can set up a format where we interview well, where we have the people on our show, but we're not really interviewing them, chat. We're just kicking it with them in the chat. And that way we get to ask more questions and different perspectives. Tommy, keep grinding. Have you tried Nexa, my AI agentic? I saw you subscribe to my channel. Reza, I've probably been tapping in. That's what I do for sure. Let's have a look at Reza, chat. I can't remember top of my mind, but I tap in with every single vibe coding channel on the YouTube. Alright, shout out to Reza. I haven't tried Nexa yet, chat. I haven't tried Nexa. I have a different opinion on terminals, chat. Like, I have a different opinion on terminals right now. I do like it. It's very aesthetical looking. Yeah, I do like it. I'm just not sure if I'm ready to use an ADE, chat. But shout out to you, Reza. Thanks for stopping by, man. Keep grinding as well. Well, it depends, Jacob. On a slow day, it will be 1, 2. On a great day, it will be 5 up to 20. Sam Le Paul, tu parles français? Are you French, Sam? Sam, how did you end up here? I don't know that nickname. I don't know that nickname, chat. Whoever joins the Dollar Vibe Club while you're on stream, let me know in the chat because I have to approve the accounts, chat. Fort Spider-Man, I will hack you. Alright, we got a bunch of script kiddies again. Omar's trying to hack Forts. I don't know, man, but Omar, just come to the chat and have a talk with us, Omar. I think you're wasting your time with what you're doing, man. You've got so much more time than setting up accounts that will never get approved, you know what I mean? Omar, stop playing, man. Chat, why is Omar so sad, man? Yes, oh nice, nice, nice. Welcome, Sam. Are you a vibe coder, man? A French vibe coder? I haven't met a lot of French vibe coders yet, chat. Simon, I'm improving you to the platform, Simon. Shout out to you, Reza. Let's see. Keep grinding, though. Azadine. Je parlais un petit peu français, pas très bien, mon ami. Pas très bien. Alright, this is good. Reza, what time is it in your place? Sam, are you in France right now? No, I'm an old school coder using AI. Well, I'm also an old school front end guy. Sam, not even a coder at that level. And nice, augmented reality. Augmented intelligence. I used to do a lot of augmented reality. That was a concept of mine back in the days. Nice. French homie in the USA. Nice, nice. USA, chat. Alright, come on, open it so that we can publish it, man. We want to get publishing. The hackathon will be done. The agency. I want to put some more information for the agency. Nice. 2 p.m. in Dubai. Damn, you motherfuckers all early, chat. You are all in the afternoon. Everybody here is in the afternoon, chat. I'm the only one in the future right now. I can tell you the future's nice, chat. The future's amazing. Damn, guys, you're all on the PM vibe, man. I'm already hitting that late PM vibe. Hey, Forts, Forts, you're out of pocket today, man. You're out of pocket today, man. Forts, I don't know what I'm gonna do with you today, man. I might have to give your ass a timeout or call your mom or some shit. I might have to call your mom and your dad and say Forts is acting up. On a Sunday, chat. That motherfucker acting up. That Forts took the seat today, chat, of the kid in the back of the classroom. You know who I'm talking about. Nah, too late, Forts. You gotta be responsible for your actions, man. Accountability, Forts. Reza, Sam, are you guys working on anything cool? I'm gonna run a second chat here, one moment. I currently have an agent working on the Dollar Vibe Club main branch. I need you to set up a separate branch so that we can start a new feature within the application. Let me know if you're ready by saying standby in all caps. And then once my main agent is done, you can push this branch that you will be working into the main, and then I can just pull and publish into Replit. Alright, shout out Reza. Reza, what country are you from, Reza? Ah, Dubai. Dubai. Homie, you look Asian, man. What kind of Asian are you, Reza? What kind of Asian are you, homie? Let me guess. You look like Mongolian, chat, but I could be tripping. Am I tripping, Reza? I'm just curious, Reza. I'm Asian myself, man. I'm half Asian, so don't be... I'm not on some racist shit, you know the vibes. Ah, Afghani. Nice, alright. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, Afghani was optional as well. Nice, Reza. How's Dubai, man? How's Dubai nowadays, Reza? I was in Dubai 2 years ago, man. It was pretty for the time I was there, but I was fully working, so I didn't really get to experience anything of it, chat. Too hot, hate it now. Alright. Alright, the new feature is basically the Incubator feature for viewers or members that have a project that they believe could be a million user application or SaaS idea. Initially, I want to start by adding a incubator button right below the $ on the left sidebar. And for now, we can just start with an info page, and you can design it similar to the agency page, but then with a different background and different info message and requirements. We'll work that out once we got the base going. And make sure I can preview it locally. That would probably be the easiest way for me. Alright, chat, let me check something on the side. When I'm a member, I should be able to go to my portfolio and I should be able to add a project. Alright, so that's not working right now. So I'm going to here. I'm going to copy this. We will need to rework the portfolio section a little bit. Right now when I click add project, it's just taking me to the profile page. So instead of having to add the project on the profile page, I want basically a pop-up to appear, and we ask the name of the project, a short description about the project, a thumbnail about the project, and then the active URL of the project, and then optional they can add in a GitHub repository if they want. And then once they save it, it should first go for approval to the admin, and maybe be sure that admin gets notifications and a section where it can approve that. The minimum requirement will be to add 5 portfolio items. What's up, Legend? What's up, Legend? Thank you. We're not competing, we're running our own race, Legend, but thanks for noticing. Ah, they're coming, Legend. We're building up, man. I've only been streaming 123 days, chat, so I gotta build in that audience and I gotta turn it into a show. And that's basically what we're gonna be doing step by step in August and September, chat. But I would say, Legend, come by, stick around. Let me know if you're a vibe coder, what you're building. And it's Sunday Fun Day, chat. What's up? Let me know. What's up? Let me know. Nice, Legend. And Legend, I don't know if it's the case, but if you're looking for vibe coding work, we are launching the agency today, so that's basically what we're launching. I'm all about practical, turning vibe coding into practical results, Legend. That's basically my approach to vibe coding. Yeah, Legend, please do send it in the Discord if you can, in the Project Showcase channel. and we also invite people on the stream, and we create videos with them to pitch and promote and support the projects. Matter of fact, I'm building an incubator here right now, /incubator. So I believe it only takes $500 to $5,000 chat to launch a project, and we've got some funds. Well, legend, I would say join $vibeclub.com then, and you can send me your project via a message there. But I still got to figure out if the messaging's working and all, you know? We're vibe coding out here. Let me see, glass chat. Well, you came up first. You came up on the first ranking, chat. Calm on the surface, powerful underneath. Real-time chat, AI image generation. And who am I chatting? I'm chatting with AI. I don't really understand what it does, but I guess I'll have to watch the video, chat. Hope the music is not copyright, chat. Shit, that shit sound like Saturday Night Fever, man. I ain't playing that. Chat, I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what it does, Legend. And Legend, don't get me wrong, I'm not that technical. I hope you understand that. Like, I'm not a technical person, so I've been in business for 25 years now, Legend. And I'm more of a front-end marketing dude, if you know what I mean. I like to create businesses and launch businesses. But I don't know tech stack, chat. I don't know what this is, chat, and I don't know why I would use it. I don't know. It's kind of, isn't it like ChatGPT, but then mobile chat? Exactly, Jacob. Exactly. It kind of like Telegram. So I can chat with people, it's like Telegram. I don't get it. Or is it AI only chat? I really don't get what it does, chat. It's basically me chatting against the voice, an AI agent, right? Tony, you tell me yours and I'll tell you mine. No, I'm kidding, homie. I'm 40 years old, chat. What's poppin', Hunter? Welcome to the stream, man. I'm 40 years old, Tony. Motherfucker got me thinking about Tony the Tiger now, chat. Yeah, but that's not the way I think, Legend. That's not the way my brain thinks, and that's not the way the consumer thinks, Legend. You have to be able to convince me from your landing page to be able to want to sign up. That's my advice to you as a businessman, Legend. You can't tell me sign up and go and figure it out, you know what I mean? First I have to feel the need. If I don't feel the need, I won't have the value to figure it out. And I ain't got time like that, chat, you know what I mean? We are vibe coding on stream, but... How many users do you have right now, Legend? How many active people are chatting on the app daily, if I may ask? Koza, you look 28. Thank you, homie. I got that Benjamin Button disease, if you know what I mean. Yes, sorry, I'm 23. Damn, I'm double your age, homie. Brother, I swear I was saying in your 20s. Well, you know the vibes, man. Stress-free life. Financial freedom, chat, is definitely part of looking young. 94. Alright. So, and they've all been using it instead of Telegram or WhatsApp. 94 is very good, chat. Hey, Sam. You know, I'll keep it monetized friendly. I'll be friendly. But I'ma just say, hey, Sam. Sam stepped in. How old are you, Sam? Hey, yo, gamer, what's poppin', man? Welcome to the stream. I'll check the Discord. I'll check the Discord for you, gamer. You've been here a few days. You've been adding value. What do I need to check, gamer? What channel do I need to check? What do I need to check, gamer? DM? Why you being DMing? What's your DM name? I don't know your name on DM, chat. Well, chat, whoever wants to be the... Everybody help him and get to 100 members. Go join it, chat. Get glasschat.app. It's nice. It looks nice. I just don't understand it. And when my brain doesn't understand it, legend, I kind of trip in my head. You know what I mean? I feel you, Sam. We're on that 40. I've never been married, chat. But I know a lot of homies that got divorced, so sorry to hear that, and I feel you. But after hell, there's always the bright side, chat, I promise you. What's poppin'? Where in the world's Jillian? Early stream today, got a busy week next week, gotta get some early sleep. Reza, can you Google, it's a website for Nexa. Can please give it a look and see how it is. Send it in the Discord, Reza. I can't see what you're typing. Gamer, right now we're working on the agency for the Dollar Vibe Club, and Codex GPT is about to push it. What's up, Prime? What's everybody doing? What time is it, everybody? Gamer, what time is it? Where you from? What's poppin', Avra? I didn't see you slide in there with that hand. I didn't see you slide in there with that hand, chat. Olare, Aldi, I didn't see you, man. Shout out Albania. I'm doing amazing, Avrite. Sunday fun day. I thought I'd come on stream early. Surprise you motherfuckers. Get a head start on the week. I gotta wake up early tomorrow. I gotta wake up early Tuesday. I got a lot of work to do. I've got to travel this month, chat, so I gotta prepare that. I've got so much shit to do, chat. Like, trust me. I may look chill, but in my mind, chat, there's 1,000 things playing. The tape doesn't stop playing. Let's put it that way. Sunday is the most... Nah, Avra, Sunday is Jesus Day, man. Sunday we get to chill, chat. We get to vibe code and chill extra hard. People leave you alone, chat. Sunday is good vibes, chat. And Monday is even better vibes because everybody goes to work, so they leave you alone for sure. Jesus Day, chat.
Yeah, bitch.
You know the vibes, chat. You gotta join the journey, Gameroa. And then once we open applications, you will be able to go through a review round. And then at the end, if you make it, you're in. And the agency is gonna obviously be exclusive in the beginning because I want to give the best of the best the most work. And as soon as they can't manage it anymore and there's too much work, then we just bring on new people. Alan's motivation. Let's go to Project Showcase. There we go. Halins, you're Jacob, right, Halins? Or where did you post that shit? Where did you post that, homie? Don't tell me DM, chat. Don't tell me DM. No, there's no bribery out here, chat. I may be Chinese, communist deep in my soul, but there's no bribing, chat. There's no bribing. Well, send the portfolio in the project showcase, gang. That's what the project showcase channel is for, chat. Like, if you send it here, it will get viewed. Like, you gotta send it there, chat. Like, why have we got the channel? You know what I mean? It's like having a VIP space in a club and not using it. Like, chat. Lock in, chat. Come on, chat. I'm thinking of starting a few journeys with you guys. But the first one that we're gonna start this week is the agency journey and the incubator journey. We're gonna get the hackathon scheduled coming up in either end of August, early September. And yeah. Alright, Discord, lounge. Homie dropping it in the lounge. I'm in the lounge right now. I'm in the lounge right now and I ain't seeing nothing. Alright, homies, if that's Chinese token black market, let's delete that post. I agree and deleted. Damn, that's a crazy looking URL, Dev. That's a crazy looking URL. Let me first open it here so I ain't getting scammed out here. Oh, chat, look. I'm getting errors, man. I can't connect to that. Whoa, run the alarm, chat. Fuck that, man, Hallins. Fuck that, man. I ain't playing. Chat. Hallins. Thank you, Legend. You're the second person to say that today, Legend. Shout out to you. Let me give you a little side angle. Let me give you a little side angle, homie. Damn, let me remove that starting soon, chat. Let me give you a little side angle. I can get my English accent going very hard as well, chat. You know the vibes. No fucking fighting, chat. I don't know if I want to visit that, Allens. Hey, man, I love cats. I love dogs. You only use GPT? I only use GPT 5.6 for now, Tony. I got off the Claude addiction. Back when Fable dropped and they took it away. And then I switched over about 3-4 weeks ago to GPT. And it's been life-changing, I ain't gonna lie. What's poppin', Code Bam? I didn't see you slide in, man. Chat, if I'm missing any messages, let me know. Because I'm missing... It's a bit more busy than usual, chat. So just slide the message twice, you know the vibes. Ah, shy, alright. Let's watch this one, chat. Software that builds software. 7 days and $50. Nice. Happy Sunday, Code Bam. Happy Sunday, man. No, Legend, a lot of people say it on stream. I don't come out enough in IRL. So I think people see me more on stream than on the streets, chat. I ain't gonna lie. I would argue I'm a recluse, chat. And arguably, usually I'm not this social, but being with you guys on the chat is a different... I don't know, man. I feel like you guys the homies. You know what I mean? I feel like you guys the homies. And especially now that we start in the agency, chat. Alright, I like this already. This seems like $1 million company, chat. Let's have a look. Meet Nexa. One product built by the Open, ship weekly. A desktop that puts Codex Claude in real lanes. Well, that's a big statement, chat. Don't forget, you're competing against trillion-dollar companies. So, I would really be careful with what you claim. But we would have to test it, chat. We probably would have to test it. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. Bring your own accounts. We never resell tokens. No subscription. Alright, brought once by yours. $49. Alright, it does look very nice, chat. It reminds me It reminds me of what Balta was coding in chat. If you guys remember the hackathon last weekend where Balta was using a custom ADE. Now that's cool. Tommy, why haven't you enabled donations here in YouTube? I think we do have donations, Aldi, but I don't really promote it, man. But I think we do have donations, but I'm only going to use it for events, I think, chat. I don't think we should use it too commonly, you know what I mean? I want people to earn money and not deposit money, but let me actually check chat if it's on, because I do want to check if that's all working. Yeah, it should be on. Ah, very nice, Reza, very nice. Reza, then I might need to tap into you, because if you were watching the hackathon, Reza, you could have seen that I said I wanted to use what Balta was using, Reza. You don't got a free account for me, homie? I'm fucking with you. I'll give it a 7-day test, but do I have to use API tokens with it, or do I use my GPT subscription? Come on, man. Allow it. Start building, man. You should have been done building, chat. Avra, can you please remind me one moment where you're from, what region you're from? And can you send me your Fiverr profile real quick? I just want to see what you mean by harsh. Because I will be able to say in 1 minute if Fiverr's harsh or if you didn't do your job. You know what I mean? No hard feelings. It can't be that Fiverr works for the majority of the people I speak to. What's up, Mr. Helicity? Just found your channel. Love vibe coding. What you building? You checking other people's builds? Well, I'll call you Mr. Hella. Mr. Hella. Basically, we are working on the Dollar Vibe Club right now. And the URL is pinned in the chat here. And it's basically a community that we started 123 days ago. We won a hackathon with it, and we've grown it to a 500 member community, and now we're launching the agency part. So that means I want to give other vibe coders work, because I'm basically a seller on Fiverr, Mr. Hella. So I get a lot of work, you know what I mean? And I talk about internet money all the time. And then in the meantime, I'll go in and I'll check and review the users that join the Discord. I'll review your projects. I like to learn. But I always review it from a non-technical standpoint of view, Mr. Hella. I kind of review it as an investor or a consumer, you know what I mean? But welcome to the channel, Mr. Hella. I hope I can keep you here. I love vibe coding. I love AI. It's changed my life the last 3 years. I've run my own agency the last 25. And I can tell you the last 3 years haven't been anything like the time that I've been experiencing AI. Reza, you got GPT or Claude, no sub, nothing, 7 days free. Alright. Bulgaria, originally, they changed my country to Israel because I'm on vacation. Alright, Avra, let me take a look in a few. Tommy, I made a Fiverr account, all set up, almost done. Yeah, gamer, go to the courses right now. Open the Fiverr course here. And download the PDF. That's limited, valuable knowledge. Get your first local sales onto Fiverr. That's gonna change your life, gamer. Oh, nice. GL and HF with it, friend. Good luck and have fun. You know the vibes, Mr. Hale. Mr. Hella. I tried changing some gig titles to see how it performs. I got a nice project, but it's based for my... What country are you from, Mr. Hella? Just send it over. I would like to watch it. And who knows, maybe we can make it in our country. We learn, we don't reinvent the wheel, you know what I mean? Or partner up or whatever. You know the vibes, sports. Alright, let me pull this, chat. Big moment, chat, big moment. One moment. Come on, pull it. Serbia, nice. Serbia, damn. Chat, I can't instantly put my finger on it, but Serbia, I think close to Russia, part of Russia. I'm sorry, chat, I'm a real dumbass, so my geography is kind of very bad. Oh, alright, next to Bosnia. Alright, nice, nice, nice. I know it's very cold out there. I would argue Serbia is very cold. Chat, I don't know, man. Don't be laughing in the chat with the dumb kids. Avra, don't laugh with the dumb students, man. That makes it hard to learn. I'm fucking with you, Avra. Alright, let's pull it and publish it. Come on, show me that pull, please. Why are you always tripping, man? Are you thinking migrating the DVC to... No, Gameroa, everything that I host commercially graded gets hosted on Replit. And I stay in Replit. Nice, legend. Thanks for stopping by, man. I hope I earned your sub. And I hope to see you in the future, man. I know you're a pro vibe coder building apps like that. That is definitely above my pay grade, so I know you got skills. Ah, Jacob, shout out to you, man. There's no such thing as IRL problems, chat. It's only IRL challenges, man. And the moment you move as Special Forces, chat, you'll be good, man. You'll be good. I'm pulling into Replit, but the latest commit is not coming from main. Damn, chat, I still be spitting like a motherfucker till this day, man. Maine. Where is Maine, chat? I've heard Maine before. From Maine. Is it Maine or Maine? I have no idea, chat. I should have paid attention in school, chat. My teachers used to tell me, yo ass better pay attention or you won't be able to point any country on a map. But chat, we got AI now. We got AI now to point it. Aldin on the same level. Aldin in the back of the class with me, chat. The slow kids that get to play with a puzzle. Aldin, welcome to the back of the class, homie. What's poppin', Isham? Welcome to the stream, homie. Chat. Is the other agent actually running or what is he doing? Alright, can I open this locally? Why this shit on my nuts, man? Opening Google Chrome. Alright. Oh, I gotta log into that shit. Don't say it's so. Say it isn't so, chat. Why is on my nuts? How does that look? Alright, before we push it to the main, be sure to make sure that the background is across the full width. So it touches the side menus left and right in the content in the content area. Alright, let me sync changes. Man, Replit tripping sometime, chat. I said it already, man. And I think every platform should definitely keep it seamless, chat. GitHub should be a basic foundation. GitHub should be a free write. Alright, agency portfolio done. Let's publish it. See, chat, with a bit of refresh and a bit of tree trash, we're all good. Alright, it's so Gameroa, go check this PDF. It'll get you on sales, man. Have you considered getting DVC pen tested? Like from an ethical hacker? Well, Gameroa, we are on the constant attack since the last 4 weeks, Gameroa. I would argue since the last 6 weeks, we are on the constant DDoS attack. People logging in with accounts trying to gain admin access. And up until so far, I was able to stop every attack and improve on the security layer moving forward. And right now, it there's a week that we haven't had any issues, Gameroa. So I believe just in real life testing, man, that's the vibe code of life, chat. You gotta launch it and test it. And real life testing, chat, gives you the best results. I've already had content on the site that I didn't want, chat. People came in, DDoSed the site while we were hosting an event and everything. And that's all good because I consider them my free security team, chat. One of the main annoying kids is a script kiddie called Omar. So shout out to Omar, man. You're my free security team. I ain't gonna lie. Alright. But that's why, chat, I love sharing the journey with you guys, man. We live and learn together. Omar Goofy. Omar Goofy, chat, for sure. Sorry from Forts. Your name is coming up a lot in banned accounts. Are you trying to do any malicious stuff, or is somebody using your name, Forts? Oh, Mr. Hella, I appreciate you saying that, but I don't even know what Kali Linux plus... Okay, Claude, I know. And I actually don't even know what pentest means, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I didn't finish high school, chat. Like, that's above my pay grade, chat. All I know is website building and how fast can I build it and how much money is it making, you know what I mean? I'm also not on the benchmark vibe, chat. The only benchmark for me is how fast is the bank account growing. Well, Forts, someone's using your name, man. I'll show you. I'll send you a screenshot, Forts. Whoever it is, they'll get a bit of clout, chat. If it's Forts, you'll get a bit of clout. Here, I'll send you the screenshot right now, chat. I believe someone is using your name, Forts. Man, your homie's tripping, I think. Alright, here we go, chat. Homie Forts, you can see I'm not lying. Wait, let me put it, everybody. You can see, Forts, these are all on your name. But I'm gonna reject them all, chat. Well, I gotta hit a milli for that, Jacob, and I'll do that. Forts, you can see, man, your name is coming up on the registry. I'm gonna have to take notes and send it to the principal, man. I'm gonna send it to the CFO, CEO, and CTO, man. You're on the tight revision, Forts. You're on a very tight supervision, Forts. Nah, you're good, Forts. Don't worry, you're good. Don't panic, Forts. But somebody's using your name, homie. I've been vibe coding for a year, ATP. I would suggest you let AI scan your entire code base to tell it to point out all the technical depth and spaghetti code. No, Gamer Row, I do that. I do that every week, man. Every time I get hacked, I do that, Gamer. I keep improving and improving, trust me. Yeah, Forts. I just hacked your Wi-Fi, Forts. Come on, man, please publish this app. We can't take 10 minutes to publish every time, chat. Come on, man. Yeah, Gamer, just keep doing it while it's live, man. You will figure it out. Andrea, I just approved your account, man. Andrea, you approved. Shout out to the Russian email address, homies. Chat. Come on, publish it. It's almost going live, chat. It's almost going live. Replit / Claude / GPT, but fully hosted and fully stabilized on Replit. 100%. Haha, Jacob. Nah, I don't even got time for that, Jacob. We out here creating the agency. Alright, you can just push this to the main and then I'll pull it and publish it and then we'll take it from there. You guys can clearly see I'm publishing in Replit right now. So that's why I always work in Replit, chat, as a hosting provider for my Vibe Code projects. But I have my little GitHub island where I can link my agents to and get work done on the side, on the move. You know the vibes, chat. Alright, published. Let me check it. Refresh. You guys can see it as well. If you're logged in into the Dollar Vibe Club, you should be able to see it as well. Let's play the radio. Alright, one moment, chat. Alright, sorry, my PC was tripping here, chat. Google is doing its thing. Are you working in Gemini, Aldin? Are you working in Gemini, Aldin? Alright, Aldin. Capverse. Welcome back, Capverse. Results become the source of truth, Capverse. Results, man. Oh, sorry about that, chat. I was just testing everything. We're good. Don't panic, chat. Don't panic. Drop a W and I know we're good. Capverse, I was gonna say thank you, man, for that question. And I was gonna say, Aldin, if you can, drop your portfolio, drop the project that you want to discuss with me. Because everybody will need at least 5 portfolio items if you even can be considered for the agency, chat. You need a valid Fiverr account, you need to understand basic web development, you need 3 demo websites. That's during the thing, and you need 5 portfolio items. Yeah, go upload your actual work. I need actual live ship projects, chat. Not, oh, I'm still working on this or I'm still working on this. Go to your profile, go to your portfolio button and upload them here. Alright, Aldin, no rush, man. Enjoy the fishing. Sorry, chat. Sorry, I was muted. Don't cap. Don't trip. Don't worry. Don't worry, chat. Alright, I see all the portfolio projects that have to be... Nah, you're tripping, Forts. Chill. Chill, Forts. Alright, chat. I'm gonna take a stretcher. We've been streaming now for... about... Alright, so I can pull it. Let me just pull this and then publish this one more time. So why doesn't it show the pull instantly? That's so annoying, man. Alright. Alright, chat, I'll be right back. I'm gonna pump up the music a bit more exciting for Sunday Fun Day. Let's go on that house vibe. You know the vibes, chat. Alright, Aldin, I'll do that right now. On the portfolio section, once people add portfolio items and they are approved by admin, or while they are still in moderation or review, they should be able to edit the portfolio item at all times. Well, they shouldn't be able to edit it once it's approved. Well, Aldin, that's the whole point. You shouldn't be able to edit it because that way they can scam. You know what I mean? That's the whole point. No, not yet, gamer. The first thing you need to do, gamer, is upload 5 projects that you've built. Go to your profile, click the portfolio, and add 5 projects. Well, then I'll give you the option to delete them, Aldin. Always allow the members to delete their own portfolio items, even once approved, but don't allow them to edit, because once they submitted it and it's reviewed, they can't change the content anymore. Alright, chat, I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a stretcher. Don't forget, chat, like the stream. Let me go full screen for you motherfuckers. Don't forget, chat, like the stream. Sub up if you're into vibe coding. Sub up if you want to make money the next 7 months. We're going to kickstart and push the agency extremely hard. And other than that, I'll be right back. Chill 1 minute. Go drink something. And I'll see you in a few. Alright, chat, I'm back for round 2. Who's ready for round 2, chat? Drop some W's to warm it up for me. Come on, drop some W's. Alright, why did it bug out? Chill. Round 2, chat, round 2. It bugged out. Let me turn off the AC. That's the beauty about Replit, chat. A quick, sick, no deployment, chat. Fix that shit, man. Actually, this one can close. Alright, that's not enough W's in the chat, man. Is everybody left to take a pee break or what? That's not enough W's. Hey, Michael Doyle. New sub. Oh, shout out to you, man. Been doing free AI tools for 6 months now. I'm doing Claude Pro. I've been more productive in 4 days. But AI said I'm doing great. Well, Michael Doyle, that's exactly how I felt. And that's still after doing it intensely a year and a half. I still have that feeling every day of butterflies, of figuring out new things, man. I ain't gonna lie, Michael. It's an incredible time to be alive, man. It's cutting in on my sleep a lot, chat. So I've been a lot on the nap vibe. But I'm actually very happy you went pro, Michael, because that would have been the first thing I said to you. I'm a bit biased because I'm working in Codex, Michael. But I would argue GPT is kinda my vibe. But either way, Claude or Codex, both good. And Michael, I don't know if you've heard of the Obsidian trick. This is basically my AI brain. So ask your AI to figure out what the Obsidian brain is. And basically this brain grows every single day automatically as the agent builds out things for my streams. My streams get indexed here. So for example, yesterday or 3 days ago, we started the agency and it indexed the entire stream and it'll tell you what's going on, and every word by word it'll index that shit, chat. Yeah, I'm using Obsidian. Use Graphily with it. What is Graphily, Mr. Heller? Let me Google that. Is it like Obsidian competitor or what? That's cool. Well, I got the homie PR working on a custom version of it. Well, Michael, I'm definitely a vibe coder. This channel is all about vibe coding and online business and entrepreneurship. And just turning the AI into dollars, Michael. Get that internet money. 2-3 years and everybody will be tapped into Claude Pro, man. And people are gonna be building this websites and stuff, but second nature. What's poppin', KG? I always come correct, homie. I'm street certified, KG. You know the vibes, man. I never pull up in the wrong manner. Shit. Some would argue I'm old school, chat. I live by the code of the street, you know what I mean, chat? What's up, Dragon? A lot of new people here today, chat. Streaming earlier brings in a lot of different people. Shout out Mr. Hella, shout out Michael Doyle, shout out Dragon. Gamer, I know you've been here. Semantic search, what does that mean, chat? I didn't finish school, don't forget. Croatia, nice. I've heard a lot of beautiful things about Croatia, Dragon. I've heard so many. Oh, Drago. Do I call you Drago? I want to call you Drago, man. I don't have no friend that I can call Drago, and you're called Drago. Isn't that the fighter from Rocky Balboa, chat? No fucking fighting. You know the vibes, KG. Don't make me play it, man. I'll hit it one more time.
No fighting. Wait. No fighting. No fucking fighting.
Let me see the portfolio clearance, chat.
No fucking fighting!
Damn, chat, you got so many projects for me to review. That's crazy. No fighting, chat. You know the vibes. Happy Sunday, everybody.
Smoking the Zaza, it goes straight to the Mata.
We'll check Graphly. Sorry, I wanted to put Graphly back. Alright, bookmark that baby. Is he done? Alright. Come on, let's publish it. One more time, pull this last version. And then you guys should be able to delete old portfolio items, chat. Let me refresh it. Man, Replit, you really gotta fix that GitHub, man. It's not good advertising on stream. Your ass really gotta fix that shit. I'm pulling into Replit from the main, but it's not coming into the commit, into main. Let's put this motherfucker on high, chat. What's poppin'? Welcome back, legend. Homie, I swear to God, I'm 40, man. 1985, baby. Turning 41 this year, chat. Alright, advanced data retrieval. Contextual meaning of intent and query rather than performing. Alright, Gamer Roa, you gonna educate me. Top chat to live chat. Alright, chat, we're on live chat now. Change top chat to live chat. Alright. I wish I was turning 21, chat. I truly wish I was turning 21 right now. If I was turning 21 right now, chat, with these AI tools, damn, chat. You know the vibes, man. You know the vibes. Let me approve a few portfolio items. Alright, those that are sending applications hosted on Replit, obviously they aren't going to count as valid projects. A portfolio means an actual ship project with a domain name and actively being used out in the market in the wild, you know what I mean? I don't need Vercel names, I don't need, you know what I mean, like, that's how I'm going to do applications, chat, because I'm not going to introduce any vibe coders to my clients where I don't feel comfortable about. You guys know I'm trying to teach you all the freelance game. I've been in the freelance game for 2 years now, chat. Arguably 25 years. 513 orders, 5 stars only. There's a certain level that we need to achieve. So the ones that are coming with Vercel links and Replit links, you gotta get a domain, man. Put in the work. When you go to a business meeting, chat, you're sending your application for $1 million investment. Man, don't even be sending Vercel links to the investor, chat. Even your name matches to him, Tommy. What name, chat? What name? Bro, Tommy Shelby. You know the vibes, legend. I ain't making that shit up, man. We're taking it as it's coming in. But shout out to you, legend. I was actually gonna say you asked a question before, where's the viewers? It's guys like you, man. If you guys keep coming back and keep vibe coding and grinding with me, I'm here every single day, chat. I've been here every single day last 124 days. So let me clap it up for you guys, man. Michael Doyle, my true advice. And chat, if I'm wrong, chat, then you say it in the chat to help Michael Doyle. He's a newcomer the last 4 days. He's a paid AI user. Michael Doyle, my advice to you is get ChatGPT for $20 and try that harness. Compare it to Claude and then make a decision which one you upgrade to Pro. I promise you, man. Well, I would say go to Pro on Claude because Claude is pretty good as well, chat. I'm tripping for saying that Claude's crazy, you know what I mean? Claude's pretty good, I can't lie. Let me pull it, let's see. Well, Abbas, I'm trying to get some quality of developers in. So I might drop it to a minimum of 3. Well, legend, I have to say, Codex has been resetting me every 2 days. Like, I haven't ran out of tokens for over 2 weeks now. No cap. Like, I'm just burning and burning and burning. All right, come on. Please show me that it pulled, please. All right, let's get it. Publish. Come on. Chat, Replit is my go-to for commercially hosting projects, you know the vibes. So let me write it here. Sorry, we need actual official domain names for these portfolio items. Real projects only, please. Approve it. Oh shit, I approved it, but it needed change. Well, I just approved the striker of somebody. That's good, you're lucky. Do projects for portfolio need to be English based? Nah, Mr. Hella. As long as I understand the foundation and I can see visually is more important for me than being able to navigate it and read it. Nice, Michael Doyle. Well, happy to have you here, man. Happy to have you here. And definitely join the Dollar Vibe Club, because that's going to be the place to learn. And I'm never going to charge for knowledge chat. So everything I do and that benefits me in my working life, I'll always share the info like I do with Fiverr chat. You know the vibes. I don't think people should charge for knowledge chat, I ain't gonna lie. Well, I would love to see it, Mr. Hellas. I would love to see it, man. Damn, you guys got the portfolio items coming in. I'm gonna have a big job as an admin here. But that's all good, chat. Let me see once he publishes. Alright, and I'll change that to a minimum of 3 projects. And that will give me a good gauge of the talent that's here. And chat, you already know what kind of projects I'm going to bring to the platform. I told you yesterday, I'm going to bring easy projects. I call them hit and runs. 5-page website, build it, deliver it, done and get paid. You know what I mean? Yeah, for sure, Gameroa. For sure. Because we probably have a lot of clients that need agency websites. So for sure, a freelance agency website counts as a project. Actually, let me, I've got a question here. Alright, so we're gonna need to rechange the portfolio approval to maybe its own tab or button. And also, I approved a portfolio item by accident. How can I unapprove it or change the status? So maybe redo that, move it from the members page and set it up as a separate portfolio approval page. And also allow the admin to give it a star rating. Alright, let me run that. I'll put this baby on extra high. Yes, Legend. Right now the main audience and the main, let's say, content that's bringing in the views. I believe we're almost gonna hit 2.5 million views on this channel, chat, in the last 100 days. Which is crazy to me. And slowly building up the stream, Legend. Same here, gamer. But with AI, backend becomes easy. Nice. I'm going to review them all, chat. I'm just going to organize it as we're going. Wait for this to promote. And then I want to see the agency. And then by Monday, Tuesday, we'll get to onboard the first people. And the first projects will be in the system also then. I can't wait to bring projects to you guys because, like I said, I'm not speaking for anybody in the chat, but I know there's a few guys out there. And I always said, chat, depending on the region you're born in, sometimes life is harder than usual. But like I said, it doesn't matter what region you're from. Yeah, Legend, if you join, you should be able to add me as a friend somehow, and we can send messages here to each other. I think you can add me here somehow. I gotta figure it out because I'm not the lead developer on this. My nephew is the lead developer, and shout out to my nephew, by the way. He has just started streaming, chat. This is his channel. He's the one of the main moderators here. He streams live as well, and he's the lead developer on Dollar Vibe Club. I'm only here fine-tuning it and adding in the agency feature and shit. Oh, if you don't know how to do backend, it ain't easy. AI does a lot of mistakes. Well, Mr. Hella, I've always approached backend as a user. I've got a function that I want to get done. I tell the user story that I want to happen. And right now I've shipped over 50 vibe coded projects, chat, commercially for clients. And every single one of them are 44 projects for vibe coding. And every single one of them has a backend, a CMS management tool, a blogging tool. Yeah, Bass, TipTap can count, but obviously you need a domain for it, so... Well, forget what I said about the domains, chat. For now, I'm gonna let Replit domains and Vercel domains slide. Forget what I said about that. That might be more fair for people that don't got budgets to go order 5 domains, so I'll let it slide, chat. You can create anything as long as you've got 3 decent projects. But then we're gonna go back to 5, chat. You need 5 projects, but you can use any domain you want, alright? That's fair, right, chat? Nah, don't you get spammed. Well... Oh, by the way, you should change branding in Google out. It shows... Alright, I'll tell that to the lead developer. Alright, Gameroa, feel free to post what you want to post, man. And as long as it's a Vercel link or a Replit link or some valid link that I can trust, then I'll accept it. Okay, let me check Dollar Vibe Club. Stop yapping, Tommy. Let me focus a minute, chat. One moment. Loading, loading, loading. Let me play the radio. Alright. Go to the agency. That's looking good. We have the incubator set up now. Built for 1 million users. Alright. This is if you want to get investment for your application, chat. If you think you've got a solid application, investment only goes up to $5,000 per project, chat. And we always start at $500 because it takes $500 to launch a valid social campaign. So, but let's focus on the agency right now. I want to check the portfolio. One moment. Portfolio. Alright. Let me just add a demo project here of myself, chat. So everybody go add your portfolio items. It has to be approved by me, and that's the first step to getting approved in the agency. And the agency is obviously going to be a way for people, the viewers, to make money by doing vibe coded work. I've been a freelancer. I kind of kill sales with any links. I already have 5 projects and some of them are pretty good. Alright, Gameroa, I'll review them when the time comes. We'll probably do that on stream as well tomorrow, chat. Let me approve your account, legend. One moment. You're a legend. Let me approve your account. One moment. Alright. Approve. And approve. Michael, you've been approved as well, Michael. Michael, let's talk for sure, man. Join the Discord and send me a DM. I'm always open for sharing ideas, and as we get to know each other, we can also do calls. And soon we'll also have CoWork calls, where I just try and tap in and share ideas and see where there's money to be made, chat. I'm all about internet money this next 2 years, chat. No cap. This is looking good. This is soon. Okay, so is he fixing the last bit? Alright. I'm gonna switch to vibe coding. Damn, Forts, you tripping today, man. I feel like your YouTube account is hacked, Forts. I was born and raised in Belgium. Grew up in Europe, chat, all my life, but living in Thailand right now, gamer. Alright, Michael Doyle. Well, we can get API funding going at the start just to showcase the MVP and get investment in. That's what I'm talking about, the incubation, man. Alright, Jacob. Love to hear it, man. And shout out to Sem, by the way, chat. Sem pulled in a big order today. He's not here in the chat, but shout out to Sem, man. He's been with us a week and he closed a major order, chat. Good vibes only. Legend, I gotta figure that out. I gotta see where the friend feature is, Legend. Let me see if I can find you. Actually, Legend, go here. And then just post something. Say, hi, I'm Legend. And that way I'll know who you are. And then, well, then I'll find your account. But we should have a members tab here soon, chat. But I kind of removed that now. Just not to overwhelm people. Oh yeah, we have a members tab here. So you just basically go to the classroom. And in the classroom you search my name, Tommy Yip XYZ. Oh, am I not showing? Shit. Sorry, chat. Well, I still gotta figure that part out, man. I wish you had Discord, Legend. Nice. Where are you coming in Thailand, Hella? So you're gonna do a tour around it? You coming solo dolo or you coming with a gang? Nice. I'm Canadian living in the Philippines. Very nice. Very nice. Where in Canada? I'm going to Winnipeg one day. I heard it's cold as hell there, chat. 3 flights away. Only Malice. Malice. Well, I don't know Malice. Malice. I don't know, chat. I'm tripping again on geography. KG, once you get that passport from Korea. Shout out North Korea. It says request sent. Let me see. Legend, send you a friend request. And how do I approve it? Hold up, chat. Legend, approve. And then now I can send a message. What's poppin', G? And you see the message up here, Legend? Should be able to open it up. Where are you again, gamer? Tell me. How's the Philippines, by the way, Michael? Where are you staying in the Philippines, if I can ask? Nah, KG, you know the vibes, man. Tell him to lock in. Nice, 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 Legend. Get your portfolio done. Get your profile done as well, Legend. Just so I get to know you. Profile, you know the vibes. And, yeah, exciting. We're about to launch the agency. I'm gonna be right back, chat. I'm gonna take a bathroom break. Oh, sorry, chat. I was muted and bad camera. I'm back now. I'm back in. No. Chill. We're good. W's, chat. W's, we good. Sorry. Sorry. Alright, I'll accept your friend request, thoughts. There we go. W's in the chat. You know the vibes. Okay, I wanted to do something before I continue on to the agency. So basically, I kind of want this box to be like this. One moment, chat. On the agency page, I want the two boxes to be centered in the middle, and I want the height to be aligned. Fill it up with some extra info on the left side if needed. Then below the two boxes, I want to clearly explain, maybe in 4 cards, how we work on a project. So we always start with a demo. Milestone 1 is the front end of a project. Milestone 2 is the back end design of a project. And milestone 4 is the complete logic and databasing of a project. That is usually the standard flow for all my freelance projects. Cebu. Oh, I heard a lot of nice things about that place, Cebu. I might be hitting Manila soon, just for a 2-3 day sprint. Don't worry, I have to approve of Mr. Hellas, but I can't do that now. We're gonna do that tomorrow. I'm waiting for everybody to submit theirs so that everybody gets to do it, so I can do it in one day. And that way I can give feedback, and then you guys will see good portfolios, bad portfolios. I promise. Lots of rain for the economy. It's bad here. I was freelancing for 5 years for the same guy. Alright, Michael, I feel you, Mel. Michael, if you're freelancing, have you ever thought about Fiverr? It's very good for Canadian passport holders, I'll tell you that. I did the 50 projects starting January 2026, Abbas. Before that, I only did WordPress websites. Alright, gamer. A bug? I'll say that there's a bug. I think other people were able to change their username though. So that might be a wrong bug. But if there's bugs, chat, we have a Discord channel with bug, and I'll post it here. And then we'll see. I sent you Discord, bro, liking this. Let me check Discord. I'm not sure where you sent it. Legend. DM. Check my DM. I've got a DM of Avra, but I don't have a DM of you. I don't have... DM on... you mean up here. But can I show it on stream or not, Legend? Can I show it on stream or not? DM on Discord, or where did you guys DM me, chat? You guys got me tripping. Chill. We still got a lot of work to do, chat. Stay focused, everybody. Alright. Alright, Legend. Let's talk about it, man. I'll have him talk about it. Oh, my UI flipping again. No, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, Legend. Let me get to know you a bit. I'll test the Glass chat app offline for myself. And let me know what the API costs are, definitely. Let me do the radio. Come on, man. Are you burning or what are you doing? Oh, Aldin, you guys gonna be yapping about lunch and dinner. Damn, man, you guys gonna make me hungry. Discord DM. I didn't see the Discord. Oh, I have to accept the message. Sorry. Message request. Accept DM. Halins, accept DM. Roa, accept DM. And Madman, accept DM. And Legend. Alright, Michael, I'll review it off stream in detail and check them. Nice, Roa. Yeah, I figured, Roa. I figured. Let me see what you sent. Ah, nice, nice, nice. Nice, 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 nice. Very nice, very nice. I will, Legend. No, I feel you, but we gotta know about charges in the future, because what if 500 people use your API? How much is that gonna end up costing you, Legend? Because that's the situation right now, you know what I mean? I don't wanna burn your tokens for no reason. Aldin, enjoy your lunch, man. Damn, curry chicken, chat. Damn, man. Homie said curry chicken. Alright, we're almost ready to do another big pull, chat. Juicy Thai food. Juicy Thai food. Damn, Jacob, what got you in a Thai mood? Nice, Jacob. Let's try to push it this week, man. Let's try to see if we can get you a first order coming in from the Dollar Vibe Club agency, Jacob. That would be number 6 for you. Nah, Drew, I just moved here 4 years, 5 years now, Drew. And welcome to the stream, by the way. Welcome to the stream, by the way, man. I haven't seen your name here before. Yeah, API is a bugger, man. I need to get API for sports. Yeah, but API is the key to successful vibe code projects, chat, I ain't gonna lie. Well, Drew, that's probably how I felt 4 or 5 years ago when I left Belgium. That's probably how I felt 4 or 5 years ago, Drew. And I would argue the hardest part is missing your family, Drew. But if you haven't got any commitments that are keeping you there, make the move, man. Go explore the world. Make the internet money and make the move. Nowadays, with vibe coding, internet money is very, very easy to generate, Drew. And depending on your lifestyle, there's so many beautiful places in the world, chat, I ain't gonna lie. Thailand is catered best to my lifestyle, if you know what I mean. I'm living my life here, Roa. And you guys see me streaming every day, so that's what I'm doing in Thailand. Nice, nice, nice. So you lived on the French side, Michael? Nice, man. I was a 90s kid in Belgium, rocking Antwerp. You know the vibes, man. Alright, Mr. Hellas, I'll tap in with you, man. Meeting a lot of new people today, so I usually go over them after the stream is done, and I'll check the quality and stuff. And you know, man, I've been in this game for 25 years, so I know who the bullshitters are. You spot them pretty fast, chat, I ain't gonna lie. Don't tell anybody, KG, I told you, man. It's part of the world global domination plan, KG. You fucking up, man. Your ass needs to come correct, KG. You leaking. You leaking everything, KG. Yeah. What's poppin', 404? Aviation, nice, man. Belgium aviation. You living in, you working on the Flanders side or French side? Nah, man, I have to agree to disagree, Drago. Drago, I had to leave Belgium, man. Belgian people get on my nerves, man, I ain't gonna lie. I'm 50 and just started this stuff. I don't have any coding experience. But I thought, well, Michael, I'll tell you honest to God, man. 50 don't mean shit in this AI world, man. 50 probably gives you an advantage on the young bloods because your advantage on life experience, my advantage on life experience makes me able to run faster with AI. Basically, AI is just being able to manage staff chat, and I've managed a team of people in the past, so AI just makes everything more easy, Michael. And don't let anybody scare you away saying you need technical background and shit. Trust me, we are all very early, Michael. Even I don't know what the best way is in vibe coding, you know what I mean? Every week something new's dropping. So we're learning every week on this channel, Michael. Drew, I've been on the stream before. I made lemonade the aid. Damn, man, I can't remember, Drew. I can't remember, man. But shout out to you, Drew. Tommy, share your looks maxing routine. Man, my looks maxing routine is be nice to people, work extremely hard, make sure your bank balance is hard. Nah, gamer, I have been doing home workouts for now, man. Jason, what's poppin', man? Soup, you know the vibes. Chillin', man. It's a good day to engage, Jason, in the chat. A lot of people here from all different aspects of life, Jason. It's a good learning school for you, man. I ain't gonna lie. But welcome to the stream, homie. Happy Sunday. I'll be nice to you today, Jason, until you drop the ball. I was gonna say drop the soap, chat, but I'll keep it PG. Homie, 17 years old. Dang, Jason, you in my book, man. I wrote your ass down in my book. Before I started the stream today, I said what mofo was acting up yesterday. Your name came to the top of the page. Absolutely, 404. You gotta love AI, man. I feel like a kid in a candy store every single day, man. No, Jason, it's the Dollar Vibe Club, homie. Dollar Vibe Club. We're launching the agency today. Whoever wants to join the agency, go to your profile and start uploading your portfolio items. Because that's how I get to judge how good of a vibe coder you are. You just come here, you click portfolio, and you upload your project. They will be reviewed tomorrow on stream with my admin account. Chat, for somebody who smokes a lot of weed, my memory is pretty good, chat, I ain't gonna lie. Well, Michael, I'll tell you, just because there's more viewers than usual here, I'll give you the rundown. Let me actually explain it how I would explain it to myself, chat, because I'm personally a bit of an idiot. So, basically, to explain it, well, Mr. Heller, then we're on the same vibe, man. I highly doubt you could outsmoke me, but one day we might have to test that shit, Mr. Heller. Alright, Michael, so basically, we all have one agent, either Claude or GPT. I always say look at foundational models, and you'll see that here. I've got 3 foundational models, Claude, OpenAI, and Google AI. And I use Obsidian as my brain to manage everything. So basically it indexes my streams, my sponsor deals, my demos, my Fiverr projects, my pricing for my collab deals, my next show, that's all there. And then chat, I work in a thing called Replit. And here you have the brain, Obsidian. So that ties all into that. And then basically, I use GitHub. I've only learned how to use GitHub 2 weeks ago, Michael. 2 weeks ago, I didn't know, or 4 weeks ago, let's say. I didn't know what GitHub was. And GitHub is actually an island that allows your agents to work externally on projects as multiple team members would. and then you can push it all at once to one, let's say, hosting environment. Well, I don't know if that's the right way of explaining it, chat, and if I'm messing up, definitely tap in and chime in. But as you go along on the streams, Michael, I'm sure I'll be able to get you going if you don't figure it out. But I'm telling you, you need... This is basically my tech stack, chat. Like, I'll zoom out. And obviously, it costs money to run what I'm running, chat, but I run it commercially. I do over 4 or 5 vibe coded projects of 5 figures minimum every month. So for me, it doesn't really matter because all these costs are paying itself back. And that's why we are launching the agency, so that I can share work with you guys. And obviously, I'll take a commission on it. Tommy is the GOAT. Shout out to UKG. Man, I'm smoking for 23. Me too, man. Over 25 years, Mr. Hellas. Straight weed, man. Can I publish my app on Dollar Vibe? Well, Jason, you go to your portfolio and you add 5 portfolio items. Don't ask dumb questions, Jacob. Be very careful. You're already in the book for this week, man. Nah, thoughts, I smoke, but only when I take a stretcher. Mind dropping. How can we do this? Well, step by step. I will be making videos about it soon. I know I asked this before, but Tommy, let's say I get another Fiverr client and I want to put him on Replit. Do I advise him to buy the $20 plan? Then just work. Yeah, I would say buy the $20 plan if it's a small business. If they are trying to run a very big business, Jacob, I would get the $100 plan so that their compute is way more. But always tell them to get a plan and always build in their account. And make sure it's linked to your GitHub and everything. There is a trick that I do, chat. Usually milestone 1, 2 and 3 I basically do locally in my account. And the moment it's ready to be connected to a database, I'll move it over to the Replit account of a client. That way the client doesn't be bothering me with everything. Michael, don't be, man. It's been life-changing for me. It's been life-changing for me. Without GitHub, you haven't got an island where you can have multiple agents work on it. And I definitely should make a video on how to use GitHub for noobs. And I'll work on that soon, chat. There's no need to be scared. Yeah, Michael, don't be scared, man. Just run it. Run it and burn it, man. And that's it. That's the fun thing in vibe coding. I learn a lot from you. Shout out to you, Wilson. Appreciate that, man. Are you gonna put me on a book? Not if you behave. Then you'll be good. ChatGPT is helping me learn Python. I have no... Don't even bother learning Python, Michael. I've been in the business 25 years. I don't even know how to write a line of Python. I'm telling you, if you want to make money, don't waste time on those things. I promise you, man. You got to learn concepts. What do you want it to do? And it'll get it done. Trust me. And chat, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you shouldn't educate yourself if you want to educate yourself. But I'm saying if you want to actually build stuff with Python and get things going and stuff, I wouldn't even invest time in learning the code, chat. The code's irrelevant. Hey, Tom. Who's Tom? Who's Tom? Who's calling me Tom? Why are you calling me Tom? Don't call me Tom, man. I don't like that name. My name Tommy, homies. Hey, Tom. Learning coding languages, but the CEO in English. Exactly. Jensen said English is enough, chat. Hey, I'm just scared. Tommy, double M-Y, chat. DJ Vision. Don't get it twisted, chat. T-O-double-M-Y, chat. I promise you, Michael, if you want to build a business for yourself and you want to vibe code it, I promise you, and anybody in the chat prove me wrong, but I promise you don't even need to know the basics, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, KG, you know it, man. Tommy, regarding your trick, you said last step would be moving from locally done project to their Replit. No, I build. Sometime I build in Superbase, sometime I build in the Postgres base from Replit. But what I mean is not locally, you build it in your Replit account first and then you can just share it from Replit to Replit. I agree with Hunter. My personal opinion is nothing wrong with learning. No, there's nothing wrong, but I'm saying if you're on a time scope and you want to get things done, if you want to sit there and learn code, chat, that's great. But I'm telling you, it's a waste of time if you want to actually vibe code and get users and launch your project and make money. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie. Vibe coding, that's the whole fun of vibe coding. I'm telling you, chat, I'm a nerd, but I'm not a nerd. You know what I mean? I don't be going, oh, Python 1 and 2, and we ain't got time for that, chat. We got to count our money, you know what I mean? What time you streaming? You stream daily? I stream daily, Mr. Hellers, but my times are very irregular. My first YouTube live is up, following your footsteps, and it's connecting Codex. Nice, Wilson, I'll tap in, man. Vision, when we renting resort in Thailand? Well, we could do a $1 Vibe Club house, but who knows? Okay, ChatGPT is doing the work for me and I'm asking it on the side. Why this? Exactly. If you want to ask it, you can ask some stuff. For sure, Michael, that's the way to do it, man. But don't get hung over on the fact that you have to learn the code out of your head, you know what I mean? Would love a video on how to hand off the project to clients in Fiverr. Yeah, that could be a very good video, Roa. Whoa, what's poppin' with Jaja? Welcome to the stream. True, learning code in today's time is useless. AI getting better and better. Exactly, man, exactly. You know the vibes, Mr. Hellas. Learn product, chat. Learn your consumer. Learn your community. Learn marketing. Learn distribution. Those are way more valuable than learning bracket, HTML, close bracket, / I'm a nerd. Nah, man, we don't do that out here, chat. We vibe code. We vibe code, man. Stop playing, chat. I'll post it for you. I'll open it for you, Wilson. Don't worry, man. Just because you've been in my streams, I'll support you, homie. Let me put you on the full. You better be streaming daily, man. If you miss a day, I'll be on your nuts, I'm Wilson. And you better get in more time, homie. Your ass better get in more time. You need to do at least 60 minutes in the start, man. Stop playing. Nice. I'm gonna tap into your video for sure, man. I'll tap into your streams as well. And one golden advice to you, Mr. Wilson. Forget all this shit, man. Forget this thumbnail shit. This is your thumbnail. This is your thumbnail. If you don't believe me, go to my channel. This is my thumbnails, chat. This is what's working on YouTube, chat. Don't get it twisted. This is my thumbnail, chat. The first second of your video. You can see, trust me when I tell you, Wilson, I've did the research. Stop playing, man. I'm just fucking with you, Wilson. Nice to see you streaming, man. Get it done. Tap in daily, homie. Is this motherfucker still coding? Alright, chat. Let me check the chat because I'm missing a few chats, chat. So, learning coding today, blah. I'm on to learn the traffic. Tommy, I would love to learn how to get traffic to the sites. That's the problem. I have 3 sites up. Well, the first thing is definitely, it's what I call, Michael, get yourself in the trenches, man. Get yourself in chats. Get yourself in comments. What you're doing right now is great, because if you continue this in a week, I'm sure that people in our Discord will go and test your apps, give you feedback. And then the second step is to run campaigns to capture the mass. And that will depend on what kind of projects you build, you know what I mean? Things have changed. I remember the old days. My friends used to work with Word. Exactly, man, 404. No cap, man, 404. I used to build so many shitty stuff. And I couldn't even make cool projects back in the day. Oh shit, chat, I'm missing a bunch of text. What I learned is focus on geo. Yeah, SEO and geo, I would agree with you partially. Aldin, still making lunch. Damn, you cooking up something big, Aldin. Soul is burning usage. No, not here. Soul's being pretty great. Soul's being pretty great, chat. 76%. Burning nothing. Cheers, Wilson. Get it going, man. Jason. Okay, give an advice now, Tommy. Is it better to publish online apps or websites or selling them? Jason, I already answered that question yesterday, and I'll answer it again to you. I checked your application ready. You're not yet ready to enter the mass consumer market and compete with billion-dollar apps. I don't feel you're ready for that. What you are ready for is offering your services to people. You know how to vibe code websites, you know how to vibe code apps. Go and render that service until you make 50k. The moment you made $50,000, you can start investing in your own celebrity app and all that stuff. For now, render your services to people that need it. The world is dying for people to render their AI services, and that's the reason we're starting this AI agency, chat. Any vibe coder will be able to build websites for us, and you get it fair and square. You get the money fair and square. So that's my advice, Jason. Did you make a game on the hackathon guy that won? Not yet, Vision, but I'm gonna do it because I'm working out. I want to talk a few more times with Quad, but I want to work out a campaign with Quad, and I even want to get a challenge going on it for the viewers. Coding every day, it's definitely an advantage. Yeah, if you understand code, chat, I understand HTML, PHP, and at the end of the day, chat, if you're able to implement logical thinking, you'll be able to build anything you want. It's all about making the brain work, chat. Logical thinking. When I hit this button, that happens. When I fill in this form, that happens. It's pretty straightforward, chat. Codex on some BS today. Aldin, restart your session, man. Start a clean session. I had the same problem a week ago. Restart your session. Is there a different website than Fiverr and Upwork? Yeah, you've got Dribble as well. And those are questions you have to ask your GPT, Jason. Don't waste our time with dumb questions, Jason. Jason, I'm fucking with you. Alright, chat. Sweet, I made a game on it. Nice, Vision, I'll probably be playing it. And be sure to stay tuned, because whoever makes a game on it will be eligible to compete in the competition that I got going on soon with Quad, but I gotta talk it out with him. But very cool, Vision, because I've been playing some games randomly on the side. Who knows, I might have even played your game, Vision, without me knowing it. Well, Michael, get ready to be super addicted for the next 7 months, man. And I'm not stopping streaming. I'll be here every single day for the next 7 months. And I'll be dropping some more videos that I can try to be more educational, let's say. And we'll take it from there. Alright, Wilson, that's going to be a great source of income for your streams as well, man. It'll keep you busy on your streams. What's next? Alright, let me see. You guys were distracting me. That's what's next. Let me pull this and publish the latest changes, chat. You guys got me distracted, chat. Dribble got beef, man. I'm a saying, man, Dribble. I'm doing amazing, Harsh. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream, homie. Sunday fun day, fun. 2 hours in, chat. Really good stream so far. I'm gonna pull this one time, and then I'm gonna take a stretcher, chat. We've been streaming exactly 2 hours and 20 minutes. So my doctor said I have to stand up every day, every hour, 1 hour. Otherwise I'm gonna get vibe coding laziness. Exactly, Wijaja, locking or clocking, homie. You either locking or you clocking for the man, chat. It's very easy. It's locking or clocking, chat. And I'm not about that clocking life, chat. I don't wake up at 8 AM to go to work. And there's nothing bad about that life. We all got to start somewhere. I used to have that life back in the days. I'm 40 now. But I'm not about that life anymore, chat. I've never had an alarm clock go off in the last 5 years. Well, make yourself an AI doctor, Mr. Hellas. I've got my entire brain here. I run my business, chat, but obviously I also run my health strategy. You can see it here in my Obsidian. And I've got a whole step here, what I have to eat, what my workouts are, what the viewers tell me, how I recover my body, and how I gain weight. So I'm telling you, my entire life is run by AI agents, chat. Even if you don't see it on stream, I'm still running that agent to get shit done. You know the vibes, Mr. Hellas. That's why I think we're vibing, man. That's why I think our personalities are matching, Mr. Hellas. Yeah, no, it's 10 p.m. out here, Michael. I think you're an hour ahead of me. And I'll probably be visiting. I'm choosing for this month, chat. I'm choosing between Manila, Tokyo, China, Hong Kong, or Vietnam, chat. I got 5 countries and I don't know where I should go, chat. That's the name of the game. Gameroa. Don't hate the player, hate the game. You know what I mean? And I'll be on Upwork soon, chat, because I'm going to use Upwork to bring even more work for the agency vibe coders. Alright, well, I'm stuck at my computer all day, every day, Mr. Hella. I try to avoid my phone as much as possible, chat. I'm not going to lie. I actually don't use my phone other than ordering taxi and ordering food, chat. And other than that, I try not to really use that phone, man. I spend enough hours on the computer, you know what I mean? Damn, man, he be eating. Send some pictures in the Discord, Aldin. I want to see some bussin' chicken, man. I used to hang at the chicken spot every time, man. 17:15, let's go, baby. It's an early Sunday for everybody. Alright, is it finally fucking pushed or what's going on here? I'm still having issues. I don't seem to be having the latest updates being pulled into the Git commit. Can you make sure everything's going to main? All I want to do is pull and publish. Thank you. Alright, chat, very important one. Don't forget to say thank you to your agents, chat. Skynet is real. The Terminator is real. We've all seen it before in the movies, and every movie is coming to fruition, chat. Be nice to your motherfucking agents, chat. Japan. Well, Michael, the only reason I don't want to go to Japan is I know that trip is going to cost me a lot of money. Because I'm probably going to want to buy Pokemon cards, chat. I ain't going to lie. And the question is, do I want to spend all that money, chat? So I'm thinking, work hard, fly to Tokyo in December, and then fly to Europe from Tokyo. And that would be nice because my other Pokemon cards are in Europe. And then I can do a Pokemon stream, chat. Yeah, Mr. Hellas, I'm in everything. Metaverse. You can see the VR headset behind me. I believe I'm already preparing for the future of the metaverse, Mr. Hellas. Everything, AI, technology, internet. If it's on the computer or able to link with a computer, I'm on that shit, man. Nah, everything. I've been in the business for the last 25 years, chat. Everything, technology, chat. Alright, let's pull this motherfucker, man. Well, I have 80 Pokemon cards, PSA graded, 10s, 9s, and 8s, Gameroa. And I'm telling you, these are cards from 99, first edition. And I just got them back 3 years ago, but I haven't even held them yet. Well, that's a lie. I held them 5 minutes, but then I was just talking with my family. Let me check that chicken, man. Damn, chat. Let me know if that chicken is busting. Drop some W's, chat. We'll see right now. Damn, chat. Homie got some KFC. Damn, chat. Shit, man. Homie chef cooking it, chat. Damn, man. Drop some W's for Aldin, man. Nah, I see Pokemon like a scam. Well, thoughts. The fact that you're saying I bought so many packs means you aren't OG Pokemon. I'm talking OG Pokemon cards. 1999 cards, chat. Like, thoughts, I ain't on that new vibe buying packs and shit. Alright, Michael. Same, man. I look forward to getting to know you over the next period of time, man. I'm streaming here every day. I'll catch you soon, Michael. W chicken. Damn, Aldin, you're giving me in the mood for tenders right now, man, motherfucker. Alright, chat, I get my well-deserved break. Give me 1 minute so I can take a break to stretch that body. Fuck cards. I collect old cards. I feel you, Mr. Hellas. But I didn't have place to store the cars, Mr. Hellas. I'm kidding. I don't know anything about cars, to be really honest, chat. All I know is I like Porsche. That's all I know. Oh, she sure is, Aldin. I've never ever cooked for a girl in my life, I think, chat. I ain't gonna lie, man. And I probably never will cook in my life. That's a little fun fact about me, chat. I don't be on that cooking vibe. Damn, Mr. Hellas, nice, man. If you ever get a chance and not shy about it, drop some pictures in the Discord, man. I don't understand anything about it, but I love to learn about other people's hobbies and passions. It just opens up the world. Like, I would never enter the world of American muscle cars, you know what I mean? It just gives you perspective on life and shit. Jay, you motherfucker, man. Your ass funny today. You cooking with Replit. Homie got his air fryer rigged up to Replit. Alright, chat. Let me take a stretcher 1 minute. You motherfuckers crazy. Alright, chat, round 3. I think this is gonna be the last round for today, chat. We'll do a round 3. Sorry, I was just poking my nose, chat. Damn, Jason, what you talking about, skinny, man? At least my bank account fat. I ain't gonna lie, Jason. Jason playing with me, chat. FTW, you know the vibes, Mr. Hellas. Hey, you know the vibes, Aldin. Let me check it. I haven't seen an American muscle car, chat. I don't know what an American muscle car is. You can send it in the life and stuff group next time, Mr. Hellas. Let me see. Where do I see that picture? I don't see what you sent me, Mr. Hellas. I can't see it. Send it in the life and stuff. Yeah, Jason better come correct, man. Jason don't know who he talking to. A lounge area. Alright, great. Oh, nice, man. All I think when I look at these cars, chat, is low rider. I'm a low rider. There's a low rider song, chat. Nicolas Cage, Gone in 60 Seconds, chat. One of my all-time favorites when I was a kid, chat. Damn, that's sweet, chat. That shit be making noise, Mr. Hellas. That shit going vroom, vroom, vroom. That shit is nice, Mr. Hellas. Shout out to you, man. You should get it modernized with like a vibe code panel in it. Mr. Hellas, a tablet. Put a tablet in it. Now, one day when you're driving on the open roads, film that shit, man. I like to see that. Ah, that's that P-mobile. I can't say it, Aldin. I can't say it. That's that P-mobile, chat. Alright, chat, let's get this last few tweaks done, then people can start submitting their portfolios. Tomorrow we can review the portfolios, start approving people. Mr. Hellas, I can't read it out loud because I'm a good streamer. We on that monetized vibe, you know what I mean? So I can't be cussing like that. But you know the vibes, man. You took the words out of my mouth. Harsh. Noise. Hey, Aldin, chill. Sem's not here. Keep it on the low, man. Sem's not here. Keep it on the low, man. Come on, man. Did this motherfucker update? He keeps pulling, but... Alright, here we go. I sent my workflow. Where did you send it, Jay? Live and stuff? Jay, were you actually able to change your username on Dollar Vibe Club, Jay? I need to know because someone was saying there was a bug on it. You should post that workflow in the community channel, Jay. Inspire people. And you should actually just take a picture from your phone. You always gotta have two phones, Jay. One to take a picture from your phone. Content, man, content. What does precocious mean, chat? That's a word above my dictionary, chat. I ain't gonna lie. My dumb ass don't know what that means. No idea, Aldin. No idea. No idea what the homie's talking about, man. Well, I'll just leave it at well, chat. I'll just leave it at well. I'll just leave it at that, chat. Aldin. That's crazy, Gamer Roa. I only discovered Replit about a year and a half ago, 2 years now. I feel you. Where are you traveling to, 404? Why are you on the road? Come on, man. Bundle this. Let me check. No, I can't check. I gotta wait till it's published. Oh, chat, someone told me to go to Penang. But I don't know what there is to do in Penang, chat. What's there to do in Penang? Is it any fun, chat? Is there co-working spaces and shit? Free? With Jaja, check your health maybe. Check my health? What you talking about with Jaja? What you talking about, homie? Penang is so nice. Ah, thank you. But what is there to do in Penang? Where in the world is Jillian? What is there to do in Penang? Besides vibe coding. We Jaja, what you talking about health, man? We Jaja. Enlighten me. Popular for hospitality. Ah. Good food? I doubt it, chat. My palate is very, very particular, chat. A lot of nice street art. Wow. I need a... Do they got CoWorks there? Where in the world is Jillian? Do they got CoWorks? And you need to make your... You need to make your username shorter. Where in the world is Jillian? I ain't gonna lie. That name got me reading a Bible every time I pronounce it. I'm just playing. Where in the world is Jillian? I'm just playing. But yeah, the problem is my brain reads the first letters of your name. So my brain automatically reverts to where in the world. So do you mind if I call you where in the world? That might be easier for my little brain to manage. Chat, I ain't gonna lie. I haven't been diagnosed, but I might be a little bit slow, you know what I mean? Damn chat. Damn chat, the chat telling me what to call them. Oh, chill, chat, chill. We got shooters out here in the chat. Well, just because people tell me to do something, I usually do the opposite, chat. So, shout out to where in the world. With a big smile, chat. Let's clap it up for them. They don't know they're dealing with a street G, chat. They don't know they're dealing with an annoying kid. I'm the slow kid in the back of the class, chat, don't forget. Don't give me ideas type vibe. No, I think where in the world is cool, chat. Shit, chat. Virtual ass whooping. I out hack everybody, chat. And I got shooters. Jay, you be modding on both streams. Jay be modding on both streams. Jay got that privilege badge everywhere, chat. Alright, enjoy your dinner, Roa. I'm about to log off soon too. Be sure to upload your portfolio items. Well, Wilson, I haven't been diagnosed with a lot of things, man, but I think if they analyze me, I think I don't know, chat. Let's just put it this way. I'm what did the homie just say it? I'm precocious, chat, or whatever he wrote, man. I'm precocious. The homie Roa wrote it, man. I'm precocious or some shit, chat. Alright, let's refresh this bitch. Oh, sorry, I shouldn't be swearing, chat. And I use the B word as a noun, chat. It's not a person, so we're all good on that. Oh, look at that. Every project starts small, proves the direction, then becomes the complete build. Demo, front end, back end, logic. That's how I get every single project done within a fashionably time span. That's very cool. Okay, let me double check the admin now, how I can see the portfolio items. Boom. Very nice. Alright, we already got 18 projects to review. Damn chat, busy day tomorrow. Busy day tomorrow, no cap. No, I'm not gonna approve them now, right, Aldin? I'm gonna do it on stream. Precocious. Hey, you know the vibes, Harsh. Done and dusted. Nah, no worries about that, Hellas. I know you're good for it, man. And one day, who knows, you might have to get me into an American car muscle show. You know the vibes, man. Alright, chat, this is interesting. Then I'm gonna apply and then I should get approved. So, actually... I actually would also like you to make an agency approval list of all the users that come in. And right now we have an agency view, so maybe add it in tabs so I can see all the people that are requesting to join. As an admin only, I should be able to see that. Add that part to it. That's what I did. Oh, that's not easy. Web pages aren't a problem. Yeah. Language flipper. I see you're a high level coder, Aldin. Give me that language flippy thingy. Well, you don't have to change the dashboard as long as the front end is cleared. You know what I mean? Come on. Start running it. Do we need to add anything else while I'm here? Let me check. We got the academy. We got the agency. You guys can apply. I should see it in the list. We got the incubator coming soon. We got the challenges. Did he fix this? Alright, he fixed this. Nice. Then we got the old challenges, or the new one from this week. We can see the winners here. Nice. Shout out to Quad. Shout out to Tip Tap Games, everybody. Go join Tip Tap Games. Tip Tap Games is going to be very important over the next few weeks, chat. Just let me put it that way. And then we got the globe. 555. Let me see if I need to approve any members, chat. Berkan, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the Dollar Vibe Club. I'm approving your account right now. Welcome, Berkan. Well, I will label them, Mr. Hellas. I will label them. I will label them. I will label the projects because I'm also going to label hit and run projects. Those are projects that are way cheaper. You earn less, but they are easier to finish, and that way you can build your Fiverr profile faster. Don't forget, chat, you need a Fiverr profile because we are only ordering and paying and collaborating on Fiverr. It's a secure environment and everything, so you know what I mean. Try my game Rooftop Relay. Let's run it, chat. Let's go. Let's go mobile, chat. Let's make it into a skinny iPhone. Play now. Nice. Nice. Vision. Incredible. It's already incredible. It's feeling like an actual Nintendo game, chat. It's giving me Mario vibes. Incredible. Chat, you see I'm a pro gamer as well, eh? You can see it. I don't have to have gamer in my name. But you can clearly see I've got... Oh! Oh! Oh, you can kill him from the top. Alright. Chat, pro gamer, man. Oh! Shit. Shit. Ah, I misjumped. Alright, very cool, man. Vision? Very cool. What is E? I'm pressing E. Ah, shooting. Alright, well. Nah, mouse button. It's mouse button, chat. But how do I move then? Well, it's also because I'm not on mobile right now. Oh, now we're unstoppable, chat. Oh, you can't hit them from the bottom like Mario. Chat, go join TipTap Games if you haven't yet. The URL is in the chat. It's probably gonna be the biggest vibe coder gaming platform in the next year, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Everybody's gonna be playing this, chat. I promise you. I see it happening already. Very nice. Very, very nice, Vision. I like what you're doing here. Can I vote for it? No. Oh! I'm the top gamer, chat. 3039. And where in the world is second place, chat? And on all time? Shit, Bob is first. Fucking Bob, man. Bob be playing that. Alright. Shout out to TipTap, chat. Are we vibe coding still? Alright, as soon as this is published, chat, we'll call it a day for this stream. Aldin, do you want to show anything on stream? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, you know the vibes, chat. We read the first letters of your name, chat. Our brain doesn't work better than that, chat. Let's do it tomorrow, Aldin, then. Let's do it tomorrow. Let's do it tomorrow. Vision, if you want to join the agency, Vision, we could use smart people like you, man. Join Dollar Vibe Club. Upload some portfolio and let's get you on the agency, man. Creating client projects, you know what I mean? Get that internet money, chat. Get money. Have a valid Fiverr account. Understand basic web development. Create at least 3 demos. Alright. We'll open that soon. Alright, good luck on the live, man. That's really long time. I try to keep sprints actually lower than 3 months, Vision. I kind of don't take on these big projects anymore, but I understand. Sometimes you got a good client and you just run it. What's up, Tom Tom? Nice name, man. I had a GPS once upon a time that was on Tom Tom, chat. What's up, Jason? Shout out to you, man. SOSO, homie. Where you guys watching from? What country are you from? Let me clap it up for you guys. Thank you, Tom Tom. Internet money, man. Internet money isn't real, Tom Tom. Day 1 in Claude. Wow. Congratulations, man. Welcome to the Vibe Code side. Tom Tom, I would say join Dollar Vibe Club and join the community. A lot of people, we are OGs and day ones, so we're all learning together at the end of the day, Tom Tom. That name got me tripping. I ain't gonna lie, man. That name got me tripping, chat. Tom Tom. I think that's the second Tommy we had in chat today, right, chat? Oh no, the other one was fake. The other one was fake. Alright. We got the challenges, the blogs. The blogs should be in it as well. Alright. Actually, I know. I kind of wanted to give it the newspaper vibe, chat. That's why it's this color. It's a bit different than the platform itself, but I kind of want it to be a newspaper. You know what I mean? Nice, Tom. What you building? Yo, I'm trying to learn how to vibe code. Can you explain it? To see if it's right for me. Well, Jason, where are you from? How old are you? And what are your skills, Jason? Have you ever created a website in your life? Tell me that, Jason. And then I'll be able to explain it to you, man. There's no fast way to get into money. But I believe that there's a way to get into vibe coding as long as you can identify your skills and passions, Jason. I haven't used Grok yet, Tom. I might have to tap into that. Exactly, Harsh. That's why Tip Tap Games won the main prize. He made an incredible platform. Shout out to Quad. I've never used it. I only see it in Twitter, chat. Tip Tap Games is made by Quad, Harsh. That's, if you follow the hackathon, you'll know who made it. And you can always click the hackathon, the challenges here. Go to the last hackathon and click official ranking and you'll see who the winner is. That's how we judge, chat. You know what I mean? USA 16. No, my skills are like 3 months of day trading. Well, day trading isn't a skill, Jason. A lot of data in football, soccer games, like researching and analyzing. Well, that's more gambling, Jason. I don't believe in that pathway for a young lad like you, man. What I would advise to you, Jason, is educate yourself on web design and marketing, Jason. And Jason, my nephew just turned 18. He's been working with me for the last 4 years. And you can see his profile now on Fiverr. He's got 31 vibe coded projects sold. He's a level 2 seller and he's making his money legitimately. Not by gambling, not by analyzing and predicting. Nobody knows the future, chat. So any bet or day trade you make is gambling. Don't let anybody tell you different, chat. Jason, out here we teach hard work, man. So if you want to get in, get your hands dirty and get into the trenches, Jason, stick around for the next 7 months and I promise you, you'll be financially free at the end of those 7 months. Shout out to you. I love them too, Tom. That's why I'm streaming, homie. I would love at some point to compete in some hackathon, but I don't have time. Well, we do one every month, Hellas. We do one every month, man. And our hackathons are getting crazier and crazier, I promise you. The last one was pretty fun, chat. 12 hours live, non-stop. 22 vibe coders. 22 different point of views. I learned so much that day, chat. Ain't gonna lie. I did learn, chat, that I like to work with my harness GPT. Jason, you're from the USA, Jason. That means your life started on easy mode, Jason. So my advice to you, Jason, is go around locally, find one business owner that you can help and build them a free website. You heard me correct? Build them a free website. And you'll see, after that, the ball starts rolling. You're as blessed to be born in the USA, Jason. You've got every single thing lined up for you to achieve that American dream, homie. Especially these days with AI, Jason. But Jason, listen up, man. We don't sugarcoat shit out here. I'm a grown-ass man. I'm double your age. I'm 40 years old. So if you get my advice and it's a bit harsh for you, don't take it personal. You know the vibes. We out here to make money and build a business. Businesses. I feel you, Hellas. I feel you, man. Real life first, work first. That's what I say to my stream always, chat. And that's also going to be the golden rule for the work in the agency. If you become a freelancer in the agency, chat, we can do a lot of things. I feel you, Jason, but you're in a location where you have opportunity, Jason. Stickman, what's poppin', man? I remember your name. Welcome back to the stream, homie. You're in a region where you, but go out past the local bakery, the local butcher, and step in and say, hey, I've recently started AI vibe coding and I was wondering if I can build you a free website. Free? Yes, absolutely for free, because I'm learning it. And if it's good, you can just spread the word to the neighbors. Every business owner knows a business owner, chat. So Jason, lock in, homie. Doesn't mean go, man. All I can say is orale, homie. Get locked in. Shit, chat, I'm lagging. I'm lagging, chat. Chat, I'm lagging. Drop a W, chat, if I'm still here. Drop a W if I'm still here for you, chat. Happy Friendship Day, bro. I'll never forget the day we became friends. It all started with a question and you always been able to answer me. Alright, man. Cap verse to celebrate. Hit me with one more question, man. Stop the cap, man. Hit me with another question, Cap verse. Hit me with a real OG question, man. No, I think I'm lagging, chat. I can see it here, chat. It says lagging. Error, chat. Jason, I was born and raised in Belgium. I'm living in Thailand right now, homie. I'm living in Thailand right now. What's poppin', PR? I would argue you late today, PR, but the teachers can never be late, right? I'm about to hop off because my YouTube stream lagging. We've been streaming 3 hours, chat. I'm about to hop off. I got an early week tomorrow. I got a very, very much work to do this week, chat. I gotta plan my travel. I gotta do all that bullshit, chat. You know the vibes, man. Everybody loves PR, man. Drop a dot. Hunter, you can go live in the PMs, man. You run it, man. But you didn't have to wait for me, Hunter. You were allowed to stream. Like, I'm telling you, run your own show. I want to see how it goes until end of August. And then we will reorganize. But Hunter, very important for me is that your Fiverr profile is looking sharp when I check it tomorrow. That's very, very important for me. So I hope you got that locked in. You had time since Friday. That's what I did Friday. You know the facts, right? You know the facts. You know the vibes. What's up, facts? I want it updated to the detail, Hunter. Profile pictures fully legit. Titles legit. Text legit. Price legit. I want everything legit as I did on my stream. You know the vibes, man. I'm excited to see it tomorrow because you're part of the Dollar Vibe Club agency. You are going to bring work in for the freelancers. Don't forget. The more work you and me can bring in, the more people we can bless here. Jason, it's pretty easy. Either Claude or ChatGPT. Pick one and start with a $20 plan if you can. Claude or ChatGPT. And Jason, do you got money to invest? Have you got like a couple of $100 to get started, or what you running on? If AI becomes the best teacher, should it also decide what it's worth teaching? No, because being a teacher is different than creating a curriculum, chat. I don't know, man. That's a strong question, Cap. First, you got me on that one, man. That's because I was still thinking about Jason. Hey, man, PR, you never know what's coming up with me, man. You never know what's coming up with me, man. I always pop in unexpectedly, man. Never let them know your next move, chat. That's a golden advice, chat. And Hunter, I believe we have that NFT of that horse called Never Let Them Know Your Next Move, chat. No. Codex, I mean OpenAI. Codex doesn't exist, chat. It's ChatGPT or Claude. Codex doesn't exist anymore, chat. Alright. Did he update this? Oh no, he's still working. Nah, PR, don't worry, man. PR, we're still in that. I also don't want it to be too repetitive, so it's good that you missed today, PR. I'm still building the agency. Today we got the portfolio part launched, so people can go to their account, chat. You gotta upload your 5 portfolio items. You gotta wait till they get approved by the admins, and then you'll be added to the... You gotta join the agency. This is how we're gonna sell projects, chat. This is how we're gonna make money. And then I launched the incubator part, PR. Well, Tom, I would argue that the brain setup is godlike. My brain is basically, I work with Claude, Gemini, and they all have the same output for me because my brain is built up to maximum performance, chat. Like, that is basically my MD file, if you know what I mean. I'm telling you, chat, if you're not solving any diseases or you're not doing any biomedical things, any AI can get you in the web industry building. Not completely PR, but the users have to upload 5 portfolio items. So you come to your portfolio and you upload 5 items and you wait till you get approved, and then you'll see the agency. But you guys can't see the projects yet because first I got to see who I let in. You know who I mean, PR? PR, you only got to upload 1. Aldin, you 2 or 3 is good. I know you guys are good for it, you know what I mean? Agency is a way that the viewers will be able to work on projects and make money, Harsh. If you don't know, now you know. Read this. I'm not going to explain it. My voice is tired. Chat, I ain't going to lie. This is it, Harsh. Let me know if you're reading it. Let me know if you understand it, Harsh. Alright, 5 it is. 5 it is. Alright, as long as it gets done, PR. I don't care who does it, as long as it gets done. Do you understand everything? If mainly online projects, facts, mainly online projects. Mainly online projects, but I would say upload whatever you have soon once it opens and we can see. Maybe if it's something in Belgium, I could be part of it easier, facts, you know what I mean? You gotta start by uploading your portfolio items, chat. I need to see 5 projects of each client. Sorry, of each vibe coder. Oh, we're lagging again, chat, I think. Are we good? Are we good, chat? No, I feel you, but facts. Look here, you gotta upload 5 portfolio projects here. Showcase at least 5 valid. And I will say that to the agent. The first time I want this button grayed out for the vibe coders and members and students. And it should only be clickable once they uploaded 5 projects to their portfolio. Even if the projects are still in revision, they can already apply then. Set that now and make sure that showcase at least 5 valid live projects is notified and highlight in an extra color. Alright, facts, I'm changing that now. Alright, stream should be good, chat. Stream should be good. Big potential, facts. If in everything we're doing, man, the next 7 months, all we're doing is internet money. Alright, and I'm updating it now so the new users will be able to find it easier. Azedin, we're good. We should be good, Azedin. Alright, chat, we'll let him easily vibe code. We're 3 hours in. Tomorrow I'll do another early stream, chat, because Tuesday I gotta wake up early as well. So I'm 2 days on the early vibe, chat, just so you know. Chat, whoever didn't, be sure to like the stream, man. Sub up if you didn't. That means a lot for me. I've got a lot planned for this stream, for this show, and for the community. Jason, let me drop the Discord for you, man. Let me be a gentleman. There you go, gang. And join Dollar Vibe Club as well, Jason. Alright, facts. I'll tap in with... I'm going to call Hunter tomorrow. We have a weekly Monday call. Because we've both been so busy, I've barely heard him, chat. We've actually both been so busy, it's hard to get a hold of each other. And we're both streaming on different times, so... I'll call him tomorrow. It's Monday, right, chat? Yeah. Chat, I got a great tiramisu ready, chat. I'm gonna be eating a tiramisu after, chat. No cap. Day 124 was a great one, chat. I love these CoWork streams, man. Well, TomTom, I'm down to become friends, man. Nobody told me it's Friends Day, man. I'm friends with everybody. You can become friends, man. Join the Dollar Vibe Club. Send me a Discord message. And we can become friends, man. Tiramisu. Sun Tzu. That's the art of war, Sun Tzu. W streaming for sure, chat. I'm enjoying it. And Hunter, I don't know what you got planned on stream after, but I might be able to let you... Well, I'll let you just do what you're doing. I'll talk to you tomorrow, Hunter. I've got so much to update you about, and you me, so let's just keep it tomorrow and you do what you do. Alright, chat. I'm about to get off. Give me about 10-15 minutes, chat. I just want this agent to finish. Don't forget, chat, the agency is opening. Just upload your vibe coding projects and then you'll be able to apply, chat. Are you streaming today, Aldin? Then I'll tap in, man. If you're streaming today, send me... You're allowed, Aldin, you're allowed to drop your link in the project showcase or in the lounge. Drop your YouTube stream in the Discord, Aldin. Alright, God bless, man. Facts, we'll tap in tomorrow for sure, man. Sorry, I'm a bit short today. Just closing off the stream right now, but we'll tap in very, very soon, facts. Alright, Aldin, then I'll get to see what you're working on. Chat, I'm gonna just call it. I think it's great to call it today. We had a good stream. Close this. This one we will publish at the end. Let me go to full screen. Let me just leave this so everybody knows what's happening. Join dollarvibeclub.com, chat. We approve accounts daily. And let me go to full screen, chat. Alright, stream, we had a great one. For all the new people here, we're all about vibe coding on this stream. Online business, chat. I've been an entrepreneur myself for the last 25 years. We're all about mindset and focus. And we're all about vibe coding. So at the end of every stream, chat, I like to shout out everybody. Shout out Fax, Aldin, PR, Hunter, Tom, Michael. We had a few new people today, chat. The two Jasons. Tom, Where in the World, J404. Yeah, too many names to Capverse, Mr. Heller, aka Muscle Cars. Too many names to remember, chat, but we're getting there. I'm sorry, man. That's gonna be something that I'll have to figure out for my Persian homies then. But come back tomorrow and let's talk about it. W's in the chat for easy. I'm about to log off. I'm sorry for that, chat. For everybody who's popping in. Chat, you know exactly what I say every single day, man. Have a great week tomorrow. I'm going to start it early tomorrow as well. Peace on the streets, chat. No fucking fighting.